Me and Marcus played Apex this morning, and then he's like, "Yo, we won a game, right? My first W." And then we're like, "Yo, I'm gonna get some." He's like, "I'm gonna get some coffee." I'm like, "All right, bet." I'm like, maybe I should get some coffee too. I got breakfast and a coffee. I slept good. I ate good. It's gonna be a good day, chat, right? This is just her dark side. Nah, I'll probably just regret drinking coffee in about 6 hours. To be honest, I'm gonna crash. How do you guys not crash? All right. I gotta change the music, guys. Sorry, that's just the intro. Let's go through this. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on today. I'm gonna just do analysis and I'm send the Zoom link. All right, so let's see what we got going on for news. Chat, almost at 13K followers on IG. Thanks for the support, man. I appreciate it, guys. All right, so you have Monday today, right? G7 meetings, core durable goods orders at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. 8:30 a.m. Eastern as well, durable good orders. 10 a.m. USD pending home sales. USD crude oil inventories. Wait, why is that today? Isn't that usually on Wednesdays? Interesting. Yeah, it's usually on Wednesdays. 15/8, 25. Yeah, 25, 18th, 18th, 11th, 4th. Yeah, yeah, 11. Yeah, 11th and then 4th. Why is it on a thing today? It's weird. Anyways, you have that, and tomorrow you have CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. and then Wednesday you have Fetcher Powell speaks and FOMC master speaks, final GDP price index. Thursday you got core PC price index, and Friday you have ISM manufacturing PMI. Friday is also Canada Day, so in Canada over here, over here in Canada we have a holiday called Canada Day. Yeah, it's basically July 4th. I'm gonna be streaming probably. I don't really take. I go off of US timing anyways. But yeah, and then Monday's the 4th of July for you guys, so it's gonna be a long weekend next week. All right, so that's the week chat. It should be pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy going on until next week, I believe. Let's see what we got going on though. So let's go ahead and take a look at GJ, and then let's take a look at gold here. So first things first, gold for the weekly looks like we are very bearish. The monthly, as you can see, finishes off in about 3 days, which is on Friday. Which is on Thursday, sorry. And the weekly looks like it has a high chance to drive down still, right? So as you can see, the weekly here, we're obviously right now bearish. Right now we're bullish, but technically we're still bearish because look at the last candle. The last candle over here closed bearish, and look where we closed. Last week, you can say price closed below here, clean traffic drive down for the wick. This week, same shit, but this time you had I guess you can say a support here, or you can say you had a support here, and you closed below. Look left. This is all clean traffic to the left hand side, if you ask me, right? So if I'm looking for sells this week, and you're closing below these ranges here, once we flip bearish for the weekly, there's a high chance we're gonna drive down, coming down towards the next support at 1810. All right, so that's what I'm looking forward to. As long as you respect the previous weekly high, this weekend should drive down pretty nicely, coming down to fill the range at 1800. All right, so I am looking for sells today or this week. The daily time frame looks pretty bullish though, I will say. And look at the daily too. We had, you can say you had a support here, you had a resistance here. This is over a range, but within that range you have another range from here to here, right? And you can say price closed yet last week or on Friday back into this range here. So now it's popping back into this mini range from here to here. So there's a high chance that price will likely come up to fill the range, which it did today. We have no bottom wick. That is also the weekly no bottom wick as well. So things should get pretty interesting today. It's not until you officially close above these ranges that you're going to break back into this range here. Because if you do close above tomorrow, then the high chance Tuesday's candle will likely drive up to fill the range at 1860 and 1870 and so forth. But let's see. Yeah, so I mean, technically we're bullish today on gold here. So if I'm looking for buys today, I want to see, oh wow, the 4 candle's flipping, lovely. So I believe if the 4 candle flips and breaks the highs here, we may have a 4-hour entry, a 4 pip stop for like a nice, you can probably force a 101. So yeah, 40 for 40 probably on the break of the previous kind of high. Current candle stops with 42 pip stops and a 42 pip TP, 43 pip TP. That's not bad. It can be the break of the highs or previous kind of high. I prefer previous kind of high since I believe earlier on today you did come out to re-break the current highs and then you came back down. So I got a burp, won't come out. Excuse me. But yeah, I believe you break the highs at 1841, look left, you're gonna have clean traffic. As you can see here, we're breaking back into this range here. So this is once your resistance. Price obviously closed above the resistance, and now this candle here came down, created a bottom wick, tapping the most recent support. As you can see, you have a lot of rejections here, rejections, right? So this is a pretty decent level. You close above, this thing flips bullish, it should drive up. You have 2 hours left in this forward candle, looking pretty bullish to me if you ask. So if I'm looking for buys today, I want to see either the 4 candle break of the highs, or option number 2 would be to wait for a breakout outside this range here. So you have resistance over here at 1839 here. So that becomes your decent resistance that you have, the most recent resistance. And then you can say if you break above that resistance, you're going to have clean traffic going up towards the next resistance. And that's going to be somewhere up here. I'll say, this is at 15, yeah, 30, that looks a lot better. Yeah, 30-minute candle, if it breaks above there, it should make its way up towards 1844, 800. So that would be the target for the buys. I believe that matches perfectly with the forward time frame. Yeah, the forward time frame flips bullish, breaks those highs. You have clean traffic towards 1844. That level should get tapped today, by the looks of it. But yeah, I mean, even if you do tap that level, you're not even breaking weekly highs, because weekly highs are 1847. So the top wick can literally be created up there. I mean, it makes perfect sense because look left as well. Your rejection zones or the top wicks, every time you close below these levels, we're around these levels anyways, right? So it makes perfect sense. To see price push up today. Buys above 1839 would be lovely. Above here, buys above there, going up towards next resistance. All right, chat, pretty straightforward. That's option number 2. So option number 1 again was the 4-hour flip. Option number 2 is wait for the 30-minute candle to close above. So once you get a closure above like this, price should likely drive up towards the top of the range, right? That's option number 2. And then option number 3 is the wick special. So let's say you get a bullish candle closure above, and then the next candle ends up coming down, creating a bearish candle but respecting that support. Wick special / starter play. The break of the highs of the next candle is your entry probably. So you have a buy stop on the break of the highs, and then stop loss current candles. That's option number 3. Option number 4, where I'm just these options here are just whatever I'm looking for today, and that's all we're looking for. Nothing else. No other setups. Option number 4 is a closure above. Let's say you push up and you push up too far, therefore you can't get an entry because there's not enough range for you to get in. You can wait for the onion play. So this is option number 4. Let's say this candle comes up, taps that resistance. There's no sells just yet. You wait for price to come down, create a support, right? There's no sells here even if you close bearish because they can still get a fake out. But if you were to come down, perfect. You can say, okay, well, we're coming down, tap support. So if you get a bullish candle at support, there's a high chance it can look to come up to retest the highs. And then you look for buys at 1842, pushing up to retest the highs at the top of the range. All right. And that would be the range you're looking to catch. That's option number 4. So that's all I'm looking for today. You guys know that I stay true to my word. There's no impulse in between. So that's it. Whatever happens. That's gold. Moving on to GJ. GJ for the weekly looking pretty bullish. As you can see, the monthly candle is going to finish off bullish, high chance. As long as it finishes off above 163, this is a high chance the next month's candle should like to continue up to for the rest of the range at 174. I'm pretty sure if it were to tap 174, you're definitely going to need a catalyst. So be on the lookout for that. I think you have interest rates for next month for the pound as well. It should be a very, very interesting month for interest rates for all currencies. Yeah, but the monthly is pretty bullish. You have 3 days left. The weekly candle, pretty bullish as well. You had a resistance here last week. You close above it. This wick should get filled this week. Pretty self-explanatory. 167.850 should be your target for the week minimum. That range going up is 183 pips minimum, right? That's this minimum. And if you were to fill that wick, you may likely drive up to fill 169 as well, 492, or 169, 420. Yeah, towards that level. All right, so the daily time frame looking bullish as well today. That's perfect. You can see you had a support formed over here. Price closed bullish yesterday or on Friday. So there's a high chance today's candle will likely drive up to retest the highs. You have a support at 165. If that's your support, this up here is your resistance. So there's a high chance today's candle will likely fill the range going up, and that range going up is going to be probably up here. So this should be today's candle, something like this, 167 minimum target, and then perhaps even 168 today, possibly. All right. But yeah, I'm looking for buys. That was a perfect bottom wick too. Price came down, tapped most recent support for the bottom wick. That's perfect. Just redraw that bottom wick. Perfect. So buys for me would probably be if price were to break above. The forward candle is pretty clean. I was looking at the forward candle flip earlier. It's not bad for it to flip and drive up here. I think the 1 hour candle is a fake out if it were to close above again, because you're gonna need a closure above, right? So you have a resistance here at 166. Yo, Paul. Way too long. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate it. Tier 2. How many months is that though? Is that your first tier 2? Does it reset when you come to tier 2? Interesting. Anyways, the forward candle could flip here, right? And as the forward candle flips and create a bottom wick, it was a 1 hour fake out. So if the 4 hour flips, let's mark up where the 4 hour flips at. 4 hour flips over here at 166.293. The 1 hour candle, what happens if it were to come up and tap 166.293? The 1 hour candle will probably break the highs, and as it breaks the highs, you may get a closure. So therefore, you could get a possible fake out, right? And if you get a fake out, you can look for positions to go up to retest the highs and continue up towards next resistance, using the forward candle to your advantage. All right, so that's your advantage. That's the advantage here. But yeah, the flips fill the wick. Minimum wick fill is going to be possibly 26 pips, and the rest of the range will be 83 pips. So not bad. Buys above here would be lovely. It would be perfect for us, actually. Not lovely. And then you look for buys going up towards this resistance up here. All right, chat. That's it. That's all I'm looking for today on GJ and Gold. All right, so let's send the Zoom link in. Let's get the party started. Where did I send this? Oh yeah, moderate channel. There we go. All right, mods. Yo, Nav, I seen you talk about buys on GG earlier and off the 4 candle. And before we had a bottom wicker, I was like, I believe we're gonna come down steeper. I think I did text it, but I deleted it. I took a screenshot of the text, but I said how watch out for potential fake out for the buys for the range, or not fake out, but more so of a steeper wick. But I believe now that you have a steeper wick, this thing looks pretty good to drive up. It's pretty good. Pretty good. What up, Marcos?
What up?
Yo, your room looks cleaner today. What happened?
I cleaned it.
Oh, nice. Yo, I got a coffee. What'd you get? Got an iced coffee.
I got a venti iced latte, almond milk, 2 pumps white mocha, already almost gone.
What's the difference between a latte and a coffee?
One uses espresso, one uses coffee.
What's espresso? Latte?
Espresso is a different type of bean than coffee beans.
Education.
There's more caffeine, tastes different. He got drunk yesterday. Me? Bro, I woke up at 3 a.m. I'm locked in.
You're gonna crash. You're gonna. That's my timing. You're gonna crash
No,
at.
I'm not gonna crash. I'm gonna go to sleep at a normal time now.
9 every day.
Yeah, I'm trying to go around 9. Guys, I woke up at 3 and was editing clips for the Culture Shift and editing my podcast.
Yeah, it's all fun and games.
I played Apex.
It's all fun and games till I hit you up at 9. Yo, Apex? Question mark?
I'm not a late night guy, man.
I am. Late night, I'm locked. I'm a better gamer at night.
Yeah, right. You got your first dub this morning.
Oh, it was actually night. Actually, it was 5 a.m. Basically, it's like that. You know, it's either bright in the morning or like late at night. I can't do middle of the day for some reason. I'm garbage.
Cap.
You see my story, my man? I don't have social media. Chat, almost have 13k followers. Chat.
Hey.
Yeesh. Kyle, how did I see your story? Only follow one person.
He said, y'all need God. Listen, we're just grinding while y'all are sleeping. This is why we're ahead. I work while you sleep.
And then
Apex while
you sleep, you sleep, you sleep when everyone's awake.
This is why I'm gonna be Apex Predator.
Yo, 4 break at a high is not bad.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I like the 1 hour closure after it breaks the highs. Above 1841, but we're not getting that right now.
7:30 a.m. Eastern. With Lifeline, yo, Biggs, you gotta hop on, bro. We'll be lit. Me, you, Marcos. Even Luby is. If Luby gets out, Apex be pretty lit.
I have 1 Lifeline win, 1 Valkyrie win.
I got 1 Wraith win. I'm Wraith, by the way. Chat. I probably, I don't know. I might not stick with Wraith, but right now I'm currently Wraith. Yo, do people just play usually one or two what are they called? Characters?
Mm-hmm. What's your Nick Merckx? This guy asked, by the way.
Nick
I was
Merckx?
trying to explain it to him earlier. This 4 hour gold entry. So basically, what had happened was this 4 hour on gold came up, opened up with no bottom wick.
Draw on the screen.
Then it drove down. I could just explain. It drove down, made this bottom wick, and then flipped bullish. Remember what I told you earlier? It flipped and then drove back down. When we were on Apex, I was telling you how it flipped and then drove back down on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
This guy entered on the flip again, and now he's in drawdown. And I was trying to tell him that it was a bit aggressive, and that's like a trade we wouldn't enter.
It's because you need to break at a highs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he was asking for your thoughts.
But did he even break current high? No, right?
No, he entered on the flip.
Yeah. See, like if price create a top wick and it reflips, it's like more of a bit of aggressive entry. Like Michael said, I'd rather wait for the break of the previous kind of high. It's an extra like 20 pips probably, but it's worth the extra 20 pips. It's just a better confirmation. And you'll see, or 14 pips difference. Like, what is that? It won't make you rich, right? So might as well wait for the better entry and take a smaller lot size possibly.
And it makes sense too, because when you enter on the flip, like the whole point of entering on the flip is you're grabbing all of the orders to come back up, flip, and then you use the wick fill as your advantage. So you fill the wick and you can move your stops to break even. But in this case, there was no wick to fill because it had already filled the wick on the opening. That makes sense, Mirror Talk. So you were kind of just hoping that it breaks the highs, right? If you enter on the flip. We don't have hope. No hope.
Wait, what does the Bigs play again? Lifeline?
Lifeline.
Oh yeah, Lifeline.
Yeah. I play Lifeline or Valkyrie. I might learn Gibby.
No hopes and prayers out here. You changed Don Vo? Yeah, we changed on Friday. You guys like it? I knew it grew on you guys. It's not growing, you guys. And if it didn't grow on you guys, eventually it will.
Change is coming eventually. Why not now?
Yeah, it was in the works for about a year. I think last year me and Marcus discussed that. I think last summer, August, I remember we had that convo about switching my name, and I was like, you know, I don't know about that. I like Control FX, and then this year I'm like, yo, screw Control FX. Let's just go full Don mode. Control FX is just FX, FOREX. Don Vo is everything. You got gaming Don, you got trading Don, you got.
You basically went from course robot to a course robot streamer to a human being.
Yeah, basically, Chad. I'm trying to grow outside of just being an FX. I want to do more in FX, beyond FX.
More to life than FX. FX should give you the money to have the tools to do all the shit you actually like in life.
And hopefully, when I start vlogging, like, you guys can actually see that, like, you know, like, yo, we all have lives to live.
That you touch grass.
I actually touch grass.
This guy made a good point. He said, Don used to enter on those big bottom wicks and then the flipped, even if it had flipped earlier. We cut that out about at least 8 months ago, right?
Yeah,
that's kind of a good point on how we always are adapting the strategy. So you got to stick with devious because we're always getting better. When was the last time you got in on that kind of entry? Had to have been 6 months.
I think there's a couple times this year where I was gonna do it, but we didn't. Because I remember that like it's such a low. It's a bit too aggressive. Yeah, like I think beyond 6 months, like last year. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. If you guys remember, then you guys send a link up. But I don't think I entered off of that this year. If it was a flip, maybe it was probably a break at highs. It's only a flip if you have no top wick. If you have a top wick already, then no flip.
Hmm. Octane. Patrick Campazuno. Oh, Horizon Wraith and Valk. Octane. I can't believe how many people play Apex in the chat.
Yeah, I feel a lot of people play Apex. So I'm getting what's it called? The Elgato 4K FPS thing, so I can stream my PS5 games too.
Oh, we updated the yearly win rates since last stream.
Did we?
Yeah, Badger finished it. The official yearly win rates on each pair.
So 82, 85, yo chat, 85% on gold this year. 85%. Or 83% overall. 85 on gold. Yo, Badger, you think we could, is that too complicated if we make the overall bigger? Like, let's say 4 blocks and then 2 and 2 for GJ and gold next to it. So it'll be like gold and then it'll be, or no, overall and then it'll be GJ and it'll be gold. Like that. We'll have the numbers inside, like 83 here, and then 85, whatever. I don't know, doesn't really matter, but it might be cleaner. Yeah, 85 on gold, 78 on GJ, and for the month of June, I mean, mine's just 100, right? So that doesn't really count, but overall, like you see, GJ 66, overall 77, April. What's April? April's missing. No GJ in April.
We took no GJ wins or losses. 2 Bs.
Oh yeah, that's why. That's oh yeah, March is 90% on gold, 100% GJ. March is our best month.
That was like what, 4 GJ trades though?
No, no, that was decent. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 4 wins. 4 wins, 1 BE. And then there was 18 gold wins. Because March was the war stuff, so gold had a lot of volume.
And then Signal Channel, here's the thing, me and Marcus talk about this too. Like Signal Channel, oh wait, no, 72. Never mind.
Well, what I was telling you, you're right. What I was telling you is that if we have a 78 on New York and 72 on Signals, that means London and Asian have way lower win rate than New York.
New York's the best session.
Most volume. You need volume to be a scalper. Wow, we rebroke the lows. Rip.
Yeah, look at this.
Rip.
For the lows, yeah, we're coming down for a stupid wick. Yo, chat, we can get some range 2 sells to be honest. But range 2 sells for me would be below here, below 1834.564.
Super clean below there.
Yeah.
4-hour break lows as well.
Below there, coming down towards 1830, 712. It's not too shabby.
I was talking to my buddy yesterday for the podcast. He says he only trades the 8 a.m. open for gold.
Oh, he's FX?
He only he trades on the side of his actual job, but he literally just trades gold and he only trades the 8 a.m. opening or the 8 a.m. closure. That's it. It's funny. I was yelling at chat in the podcast. I was like, "You see this, guys? You don't got to be on the charts for 12 hours straight."
How long has he been trading for?
He came up with me. We met each other in 2018.
Oh, is it the guy you told me about?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
No, I haven't told you.
When's it dropping, bro?
My buddy Dane comes out Wednesday. My buddy Dane. He uses Trader's Domain. Funny enough.
It's crazy. It's from the States, right?
Yeah, he's in Minnesota. Minnesota. Everyone said you had to play Octane.
Minnesota.
Minnesota. It's in Rochester, Minnesota. Actually, that's the name of the
Chat,
town.
who's from Rochester here? Expose yourself. And from Rochester here?
Trace taken, by the way.
Oh yeah, Trace taken. Oops. Yo, Friday's pretty good. Good day Friday. I think everyone had a good day Friday.
Yeah, it's good.
Well,
vibes.
if you're on our stream at least.
Good vibes.
If you were DVS at least.
DVS gang.
Chat, big surprise. Hopefully by December.
December.
No, I think it'll come in the next 3 months, but I think to finalize everything, but I'll be up by December. The website for Christmas for you guys, probably.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I thought you were talking about something else.
Nah, because I gotta do a bunch of stuff. But chat, it's in the works. Like it's actually like we got started. Remember that thing I told you guys about? But the whole BABYYY course website, the free DVS or market controller FX DVS version of BABYYY. It's coming by December probably. Just I got a ghostwriter basically, and he's locked to the streams. He's in the chat, and we're working on it, and hopefully by December. Yeah, basically a ghostwriter, like a third.
Said I'm Drake.
A ghostwriter chat. It's not really a ghostwriter because he's just repeating what I'm saying. But a writer. So, chat. I really want that to come out. It's gonna be free, no charge. It's just text though. There's no course videos, nothing course. That's obviously a course, but it's all text. It'll just be there'll be quizzes on it, all that good stuff, and yeah, free 99. We'll be on controlfx.com.
You said it's Grand X the ghostwriter.
Yo, you gotta release a secret to how you so good at drawing ranges. The secret is on this channel.
It's got a lot of XP. A lot of XP.
What's it called? Controller FX. There you go. This is how I draw ranges 4 months ago. I made this video in February 21st. Alright, guys. Are we flipping bullish on GJ? What else can I look for on GJ? There's not much we're gonna do here on GJ right now. Yeah, I can't even do much right now. He stays in this overall range. No, V3 is not free. V3 is in the course. That's coming this year. That's still coming, chat. Update is still coming. Sorry for the delay, but it's definitely still coming. I'm doing it once a year to update. Technically, I got 6 months to update it. V3 is the update. We have V1 and V2 already. It's out. V3 is coming. And then got that, and that's about it. Oh yeah, I got Vancouver. More stuff there. The signals are included in your course? No, signals are separate. Separate. All signal gets is just signals and breakdowns. Course gets breakdowns and zoom access in course. Yo guys, you guys watch the Stanley Cup last night? Not sure who cares, but Colorado won. Pretty insane. Felt good seeing
Tampa.
Felt good seeing Tampa lose. Yeah.
What was it 4-0? 4-0 or was it game 7?
Game 6, 4-2. This 3rd-minute count, 15 and 30 is so ugly on gold. Hideous. Yo, how many days to Vancouver? What day is Vancouver? February 14 or August 14?
6 weeks.
$48 days. Sheesh.
God dang. Close.
No, we're going to 17th.
10th.
Oh, 10th. 44 days.
6 weeks. This area for gold is horrible. Facts. This is a hurry up and wait range.
Holding on to the star play here. This thing has no bottom wick, right? So as prices come down, it just create a bottom wick for the 30-minute candle. Overall, 30-minute candle looks like it's gonna drive up now, back up top of the range and just hang and range around there for a bit. That's something that I've been looking at too, chat. Or I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but every time obviously the person has no bottom wick, there's like high chances next time will come down, create a bottom wick. So there's no point of entering a star play there. That's when the star play is invalid in those situations. Even if it's like perfect, even if it looks perfect, just be aware of that. But you get a large coffee, start the day off.
Yep.
I was googling how to not crash. I was like, just eat food and drink water as you drink coffee.
Bro, you talking about all this crash stuff? I don't crash. That's in your head. It's a placebo. Just don't. Discipline.
Just don't. Yeah, best advice ever.
Literally just don't.
Just don't do it. Just don't. It's like, hey, yo, Don, how do I avoid losses? Just don't take losses.
This just said, what's the stater play?
You streaming Apex Ladder on YouTube?
I'm down.
Chat. How many views you have last time? 10? I really want to stream too, but just kills my FPS. I'm gonna do a
got a
PC.
beast computer like me, unfortunately.
No, I want to get a dual PC. I think next year when a 40 thing comes out, I'm gonna get the best 40 card. Is it next year, chat, or the year after when the 40 comes out? The 4K
I'm gonna
series.
see what my I gotta see what my FPS will be when I stream at 1080. I've been streaming at 720.
Yeah, you probably
upgrade monitors.
You probably still get
monitors.
130. Oh yeah, 2 monitors. You're gonna take up more usage. 2 monitors, you're gonna probably come down to like 130, 125.
Even 120 is fine. As long as I'm getting over 100.
Yeah,
really not that big of a deal.
It will be later though. When you get more serious with it, you're like, these frames are annoying.
Have you seen the? Yeah, I did see the most recent crate reset.
I saw it.
Reset.
In the pizza box.
The pizza box, yeah.
You just let me move on. GG, I was sleeping. I slept yesterday at 11. I crashed.
There was a London gold buy. Was all I saw today, and I was just too tired to even catch it. My eyes weren't even open yet, and I was like, "That's gonna go up." And then 15 pips.
How's the 1 hour look on this? 1 hour is still bearish. Okay, so yeah, you got a top wig, you got a bottom wig, and so if you re-break the lows, then it's a high chance to drive down. But I don't think there'll be sells for us anyways. The range going down is decent, 16, but not really interested in sells just yet, chat. How big is that daily wick? 100, 150.
I can't tell if people are trolling. Celery play. Celery.
You don't crash coffee? Are you sure? Maybe it's something. It's in my head. Literally, okay. Right now it's 7, right? At 12:01.
Yeah, but 12-1, you worked all morning. You should be a little tired.
Yeah, but how do I keep the same energy all day?
Have a second coffee. That's what I do. Or drink water. Go outside. Touch grass. My man's Don will literally wake up at 2 in the morning for London session, go to bed at 11 p.m. for Asian session, wake up at 5 a.m. for New York session, and then at 1 p.m. he's like, why am I crashing? Sleep. This guy got 0 REM sleep.
Go to the gym. Yeah, I resumed. Slowly getting back into it. I resumed.
Matcha is gross, man.
Really?
I
I
don't
like
like
I
it
like
at
matcha.
all. You like matcha?
It's just chill. I don't know.
It's
I
chill.
never tried matcha latte though. I tried matcha. I like matcha in general.
Am I gonna get roasted about matcha? I thought
You
matcha
might.
was like, I thought it was popular for that to like not be good.
Sorry, matcha has a lot of good health benefits.
T-Biggs likes matcha.
What up, Ted?
Come to Thailand. I do want to go to Thailand.
Yeah, I was thinking the other day. I'm like, yeah, I want to go back to Vietnam.
Cold run, cold shower. Cold shower does bring a lot of. It's a good midday wake up. So like for me, I go to the gym around noontime, and then after my workout, I'll hit the sauna, get the blood flowing, and then I'll hit the cold shower. That is like it's like a second wind. A little blood shock wakes me up. Finish off my day. I mean, by 4 or 5 p.m., I'm done for the day anyway. So. What do you think, Don?
Yo,
Gym sauna, cold shower.
V
You would.
people in a chat texting a V as if I can read it. I can't read it. Oh, it's this coffee. It's a coffee thing. Never mind. I could read that. Kinda. North way better than South? I don't know about that, man. I'm Southern. Southern and Northern people have beef.
Why?
Not beef, but
Isn't that Korea?
well, we don't actually have beef, but it's like I don't know. Some people are some people like we support the Southern side. North people have like a different accent. It's weird. Sounds crazy. I don't even understand it. Change that beat up. I gotta change this. Put this up.
Ooh, I've never seen this before. Chill hop.
Yeah, that's what I use. This is a live stream though, so I just play whatever. If I like a song, I just favorite it.
Try having ice baths once or twice a week. I don't even have a bath, bro. I have a stand-up shower. Blue bottle. Blue bottle's fire, T-Biggs. I love blue bottle. It's just a little far. That's why I settled for Starbucks.
Yo, we have double audio today on the stream or no? I didn't turn it off the whole time. Turn it off the whole. Even if it's like
Double
perfect,
audio.
even if it looks perfect. No, we don't. It's weird.
Usually
sometimes.
people complain if they hear anything early on in the stream. Gold dropping. Yeah, still like 30 pips away from the range. 20 pips. Looks like that could be the weekly topic for the flip.
Possibly. Subs below 34 looking lovely. Just wish this 1 hour had something decent. Yeah, you really want to see the 4 kind of break the lows here, guys. That's what you really want to see. 1833, 860 coming down towards 1830. 30 pip range going down. That's not too bad. That's the range I'm kind of looking at right now. Jeez. 6 months. Yo, where's the golden celery?
I think there's a thing. 15 days, but I'm a 6-month sub. Yo, G, type in the chat. I want to see if you have the gold
Nah, it
Selly.
shows green.
It is showing green.
Yeah, because it would have shown already. I think next month.
Next month is gonna be mad gold celeries in the chat. All the OGs.
It's 6 months to finish. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
You subbed for 6 months, but the 6th month isn't completed. Makes sense.
Can I still go over break support? Yes, 1834. You want to break 1833 though for the 4 candle and then pull back and close below 1834, 500. Then you can take sells. Alrighty.
Definitely wish the 1 hour had a topic.
You'll see that 820.
But it's also got the previous 1 hour is a doji with a top wick.
The 4 candle is just rejecting overall, yeah.
Look at the weekly. Clean. Didn't you want weekly runners?
Yeah, but stops were massive now. I wanted earlier. I was like, what, 100 stops? I was okay, cool, that's fine. Weekly runners, but 140. It's not bad. Yeah,
140 for 170.
Yeah, it's not bad.
160. It's decent. It was cleaner with like 90 for 180 or something.
There's a very high chance the weekly's on drive here, especially if we're creating a top wick this early into the candle. Like, just imagine, chat, like it's a new 30-minute candle. In the first 10 minutes of a 30-minute candle, you have a top wick. Same thing as this. Yeah, 5 days in a week. The first day of the weekly candle is creating a top wick. 4, 5, 6, or the second, third, fourth day, you're probably gonna flip and drive, or once it flips, it'll drive. Who inspires me? I don't know. I don't know. You're probably expecting that I meant FX guy, right, chat?
And say Kanye West. Facts.
Yeah, I like his creativity. His creativity inspires me. A lot of people inspire me. I get inspiration from everyone. How's the coffee?
Kanye West.
Too much
Dr.
sugar.
Disrespect.
No, I don't even watch stuff like that.
ACU. That's your inspiration.
Nah, cause I know he's a big streamer. His gameplay is kind of mid. Like, he's not the best gamer.
Disrespect?
He's not the best gamer, but like he's just fun to watch. Yeah.
XQC.
XQC. XQCO. Hi Mo, how's the coffee? Yeah, it's so sweet. This coffee got too much sugar in it. I like my coffee with barely any sugar. There's more cream. Probably like 1.5 cream and some sugar. I don't mind the bitterness. I think it's the sugar that makes it crash, honestly. I used to put a lot of sugar in my coffee. Uncle Roger. Oh, you live in Quebec, DVS mod guys? You're from Canada? Can you explain why your range 2 on gold is there? I thought 828, 700. Because this would be the 4 candle breakout low. So if the 4 candle breaks the lows at 1833, you're gonna have pretty nice traffic coming down towards 1830. So I'm trying to grab a piece of that if we can close below. So then you can say, well, this could be your range 1. This is your range 1. This range overall, and this is your range 2, right? And it sells below there. I want buys for a day, but I'm open to sells below. Shroud. Oh yeah, Shroud's aim is insane. Makes you age faster. Looks like I haven't had a lot of sugar in my life then. Had an A5 over the weekend. A5 Japanese Wagyu. I'll rate it 5 out of 10, chat. I don't know. I like Wagyu steak, but I think the way that restaurant made it. I didn't really like the way that restaurant made it. You know what's hella good, man? Bone marrow. Fucking love bone marrow.
I'm usually black or a little bit of unsweetened almond milk, unless I'm treating myself like this morning, which was like a Starbucks drink. I get a little bit of mocha, but for the most part, I just have a black or unsweetened almond.
Was fake out your worst enemy? Maybe in 2020 and early 2021 it was, but not so much anymore. We rarely get faked out anymore. The last time we got faked out was like, I don't even remember the last time we got faked out this year. If you guys could recall, but I don't remember. We avoided a lot of fake outs or fake outs. False breakouts.
To avoid fake outs. That was my most viral video.
Yeah, unfortunately, my most viral video is the best fork strategy. It only has 20k viewers. Chat, we have no viral videos, but somehow we're still pulling up the viewers. That's good though. I'd rather have that, let the loyal viewers come to the streams, than have a viral video and people watch it and then sub and then never support the channel again. I'd rather just have the natural growth. How you draw range 1 range 2? Exclamation point fake out in the chat, and a link should pop up to the video. Yeah, biceps, Mark. Don't ask.
Oh, working on it.
Michael's skinny, chat. Skinnier than me.
Turn sideways, Don. I'm gonna disappear. My man's 2D.
Living in a 2D world for a day.
Living it alone. Cowboy. Should we have a cowboy stream done where we wear cowboy hats to stream? Next NFP day?
Taking cowboy hat. Yo, every time I take a cowboy hat, cowboy hat on. Good idea. Organic trading, non-GMO. Don, are taxes in Canada? Of course there's taxes in Canada, man. Yo, fun fact. Adam Sandler's living in Toronto right now. That's crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Probably got sick of America. I feel a lot of people are coming to Canada very soon. Our taxes
no
high,
escape.
definitely high in Canada. It's higher in America, I'm pretty sure, or it depends where you're from. But Canada got a lot of taxes because you get free healthcare, but really it's not free. You're just paying more in taxes, so it's a scam.
I mean, it's that pyramid scheme.
Is there crime in Canada? Honestly, this year in Toronto, the crime rate has gone up, but compared to the States, not so much, man.
There's taxes and crime everywhere, man.
Yeah, there's definitely crime in
governments
Canada.
Governments run with taxes.
Is it hot in Canada? Yeah, right now it's hot for me. Like right now it's cool. I like the weather right now. 16 degrees, perfect Celsius. It's gonna go up to like 32 today or 30, I think 28. So that's decent. It's like New York weather, man. You guys ever been in New York? Very similar weather.
It's hot as shit here, or it's like muggy today because it rained this morning. Like 3 in the morning, it was raining.
Let's go gold. Break the 4 lows. Tax will go up soon as well. Slash will go up soon as well too.
You guys got houses in Canada? Hey, yo, you got any of that? Like, you guys got air and grass in Canada?
Not gonna lie, we have no houses in Toronto right now. It's all like being bought.
You guys have water in Canada?
Are summers cold in Canada? Or I just answered if it's hot. No, it's not cold in the summer. Chat, how about
Canada's
this?
like Toronto's literally like a 2-hour drive from here. From New York.
Bro, they're a 1-hour flight. I can go to Margot's team in the afternoon and come back home by night. Everything free has a hook to it? Well, what's the hook to the live streams then?
Ooh.
What's the hook to the live streams then? Tell me. Tell me, chat. What's the hook to free live streams every morning? What's the hook to these free trades? What's the hook to it? Tell me. Messy.
Why don't you guys visit each other a little? You guys live so close.
It's a pain. It's a pain to go from. Well, yeah, we're gonna visit, but it's a pain to go from. It's actually a pain to go from Canada, US.
That's why we're going to Vancouver.
Well, it's not a pain. It's just. It's not really that much of a pain.
There's also just not much to do.
Yeah,
what
like,
do you do?
bro.
Go out to eat. I can just go see him in Vancouver. There's gonna be so much to do.
Yeah, we're gonna eat out and shit every day.
Also, neither of us have a car. We both live in the city. That's why Kawhi left. Yo, he really showed up for a year and was like, I'm out. This place is mid. Do you guys have separate beds? No. What do you think of journaling your trades on social media as a beginner?
I mean, do you guys have secret beds? No. What?
Someone said, what do you think of having or journaling your trades on social media as a beginner?
You do whatever you want on social media if it helps you. For me, I post this not to help me, but to just post content. I don't do it. Like, this is my journal. Like, I don't journal like this. I journal just on my streams are journals for me. But for you, if you want to keep yourself accountable, then yeah, post on social media. That may help you be more accountable. Because nowadays, you know, apparently social media is what people look at. So yeah, just do that.
Marcos, is Canada better or USA? What's your view? I don't really think about that stuff.
What kind
I
of
don't really
question is
have an opinion because I don't care that enough. Like, I'm kind of just focused on making money. You know what I'm saying? You can't make progress on multiple fronts, man. What about you live where you live yet? You know what I mean? I got to be like a multi-millionaire before that even crosses my mind. I'm not sitting here trying to evade taxes. You walk everywhere, take the train. I walk if it's walking distance, and I take the train if it's train distance. Pretty much if I'm going to Manhattan, I take the train. Yo, no tax and PR. Yes, just higher crime rate. Shout out my country though. I hate these questions. How many signals per day if we get the paid signals?
Well, look at the look at the spreadsheet. Like this is the month alone. You guys had probably 35 signals basically. 34 signals. So that's an average of like 1 a day. Yeah. No, because weekends don't count, right? It's only been 4 or 5, 10, 15, 16, 19 days, 30 trades. That's like 2 a day basically. One point something a day. Not bad. Keep in mind, I was gone for half the month too. I was on vacation, but see, like 7th, 8th, 9th, 9th, 10th, 13, 13, 13, 16, 16. Chat, next year we're gonna be adding a new column to our spreadsheet called percentage. So gonna be cool. Yeah, I can't wait to have that meeting this year. But at the end of the year, that little spreadsheet thing, we'll probably do on stream.
Yeah, like a review.
Yeah.
Yeah, no cars. It's like hard to think about when you're like living in a town. Cause I grew up in a small town and I've had a car my whole life. I used to commute 30 minutes to high school, but like it's such a hassle in the city. I'm so glad I don't have one. I couldn't imagine having a car and have to think about like where to park it and shit and like having to maintain it.
Speaking about cars, chat, I think I'm getting my driver's this month. My driver's license. My G2. Gonna go to driving school. And then get my instructor. Hopefully, you know, Ontario passes me. Should be passed.
My man was born and raised on stream.
Yo, you passed. Yo, chat, I'm gonna stream the driving school.
Stream the driver's test through glasses, your Google glasses.
Next thing you know, that was my last stream ever. Knock on wood.
Marcos, do you live alone?
No, as a cat. Yo, you should get a dog, bro. You wouldn't. I think you should get a dog, bro.
No,
you wouldn't want
one? I don't believe in dogs in the city.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I grew up with a dog that had so much grass and trees and land to run around. Like moving to the city, I cannot imagine how people have dogs here, walking them shits on the street. They have to poop on the sidewalk. That's so messed up, man.
Someone says they've been driving for a license for years. Hey yo.
Hey yo. My dude lives in Wisconsin.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it, man. You get caught with it. Like, if say you do get caught, it's like, bro, you can't drive for 8 years or something.
Where you live, Tyro?
Too much info.
What's your social security?
How much rent you pay, Marco?
Texas. Yo, Texas is the land of the free for real.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to Houston, chat. Honestly, I think if I were to move, I'd move to Houston.
Yeah, Houston's on my radar.
Not for the vibes, more so just business-wise, but her real estate is pretty cool there too. Right now, at least. I think Houston is on a come up. What's good, Ken?
How did your parents react when you dropped out?
I didn't really drop out. I didn't tell them I dropped out though. I kind of took a semester off, or I took a year off, and then I don't know, they see my results for the year, and then kind of just got used to it. I mean, obviously they didn't want me to drop out. They wanted me to come back to school, but you know, things happened. Just things happened the way it happened.
Houston floods a lot. Rip. Hey, choose your battles, man. You gotta choose your battles eventually. I'm in the US. Macho.
1,000 vivos. What up, chat?
The finesse capital of the US is Houston. Sounds perfect for us.
Dallas, Texas.
Finesse the markets. I heard Dallas. I met someone from Dallas in at a dinner the other week, and she said it was a lot like the New York of Texas. I've been to Dallas. It wasn't as cool as Austin. It wasn't as cool as San Antonio. Personal opinion. That's where Optic is though. Optic's in Dallas.
Where's FaZe? LA?
Yeah, LA. Same 100T. Joe Rogan's in Austin. Yeah, so is Elon Musk. Ryan
New
Trahan.
York is being Delaware. Perfect.
Ryan Trahan's in Austin. Share the link for the Q&A. I'm not doing the solo episode anymore. You could ask me the questions here. Solo episode is just awkward. Not my vibe. I tried. Deleted. What do you think? Devious take over Wyoming, Don?
The ranch.
That's where what's that guy's name?
Kanye West.
Oh, yeah, Kanye West, and then the makeup YouTuber. What's the name? Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star.
He has like 200 acres with yaks.
I think Kanye sold his ranch though.
Devious ranch, bro. Don is not a ranch person.
Yeehaw. Yo,
put this dude on a horse.
I was actually gonna ride a horse in Dominican, but I canceled it. I was too lazy. Took half my day to ride a horse, chat.
Devious cow farm.
You can ride horses in Canada. Yeehaw. Any plan on gold? Sells below 4.5. Yes, that's my plan for gold. Once you get closure below plus the 4 candle breaker lows, I will be looking for sells. Until then, from 1834 to 1839, I can't do anything about it. Just gotta watch price move and sit on my hands. Chat's itching. It's a Monday, you guys. Don't worry. Have you guys taken any trades today? Any? I haven't even honestly opened up my NT5 yet.
I think there's one trade today, and that's the sells below here for me.
You took one already?
No, this is the one trade. If we get the sells below, if we don't get it, we don't get it. Such is life.
Yo, is there KD and Apex?
Yeah.
But do people look at KD or they look at
You can't really look at anyone KD. You look at rank.
Oh yeah,
rank matters more.
Rank matters more. Yeah, in wars was KD.
Like today, for example, we got a dub and I got 1,000 damage and 4 assists on the win. But no kills. No kills, no deaths.
Turn me up. Turn me up. Don Bo, what's up?
I had that Draymond Green stat line, man. Respect me. I dropped like 8 care packages. JXTR's diamond? What?
He's nasty, I heard.
It sucks that we can't play. I don't want to play with those people because
Yeah,
it messes up our
servers.
lobby. We're not ready.
No, even his servers are so far.
Oh, it's the servers too. I just think we're not ready for those lobbies. Like the matchmaking, I'd rather play people my level and like gradually get there, you know?
Yo, that game we played today, you know how at the beginning of the game it shows like best number one in the game, whatever?
The previous winner.
Oh, previous one. It doesn't show like number one ranked in the game?
It shows the people who won the last game or had the highest stat line from the last game. So it'll say it says your champions. So like the champions are the people that won the last game, I believe.
Thoughts on Kevin Durant's legacy after his stats 4th ring? Come home, baby. Come to Toronto. If KD comes to Toronto, that's gonna be a very defensive team. Very good team.
KD's legacy, honestly, it did take a big hit.
With the injury.
The Warriors won before KD. They won after KD. Steph's legacy took a that jump. Steph, I already had Steph top 10. He's definitely top 10 now. No one can argue it. And you can make a case for he's getting close to that top 5 range. But he's top 10 for sure. There's no way you don't put him in your top 10 now. I mean, KD's not top 10. Top 7. I could see the argument for top 7. I could also see the argument for just putting him at like 9 or 10.
Yo, you think LeBron's winning another chip before he retires?
Bron?
Yeah.
Depends what they do in the offseason. The Lakers are mid.
Bro, they haven't done I don't know.
Anthony Davis fell off. If Anthony Davis is good, they'll be good. If he's not, they won't be good.
Honestly, I think every superstar that comes to Toronto, we have a good chance. But no one's gonna come to Toronto to play, bro. They're going to Portland. Damian is stuck in on Blazers, right? For another 3 years or something.
Mm-hmm.
How long is that contract?
I am more impressed with the Warriors system and empire. Oh, brother. I'm gonna be sick. That's what they said about Brady. Just to respect the greatness, man. Celtics will be back, maybe. Yeah, KD to Portland with Damian Lillard. I said,
why do you talk so much? You never played a day of ball. It's
bro, I've been playing basketball my whole life, man.
I played basketball there in my life until I was grade 9. Oh, my bad. Just because I don't play basketball, I can't talk about NBA. Sorry.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
My bad, chat. I won't talk about the NBA no more. I gotta play it. Looks like we're just not talking about pips.
No one suffered more than me as a Celtics and Arsenal fan, man. The worst.
You guys teach? Gamer. We do. You've been watching us for at least the past 2 weeks.
If you're new and you want to do something while before this 8 a.m. closure for 15 minutes, I would go to Dombo's channel. I would scroll down to trading tips, and I would just speed run understanding candlesticks, how to find your bias, and how to draw support and resistance, and come back. And then the 8 a.m. 8:20 closures will be here, and you'll be like, oh shit, I'm a legend.
Yo, why are you looking for sells on gold if daily is bullish? Sorry, I've done question. Really trying to learn and understand your reasoning. Thank you. I'm looking for buys above here. I'm only looking for sells if you break the 4 lows for range 2 breakouts. Only if you break below, right? Not I will take a sell. It's only if you break below, I'll look for potential sells. I'm open to both today.
It's trolling
in this situation.
Y'all trade FOREX?
Yeah. Forgot there's a FOREX stream. Yeah, the reason why we talk about other stuff is just because, like, what's there to talk about? I did the breakdown already. I drew out the 4 entries I was looking for today. There's really not much I can do except for wait for those things to come to us. It's what we've been doing for the past 2 years. You know? You never hear me mix it up. Like, oh, 747, we're breaking lows. I'm taking an impulse sell here. No, I'm not going to take no impulse sell here. It's, I'm going to wait for the candle to close. It wasn't part of my plan. That's why, like, we spent half this from just talking about our stuff, because it's like we're just waiting for candles to close. Like, we have nothing to do here for our next 12 minutes. Like, what's there to do? Watch the candle drop. Okay, then what? See the same candle close at 8? Might as well just talking and see the same candle close at 8. Nothing changes. Doesn't change anything. Now, why is the range 2 on GJ there? Because this is range 1. You have resistance here. You have support here. This is range 1. You break back into the previous range. That's range 2. Now this becomes your range 1, range 2. And sells will be below here. 165, 706. Sells below there, coming down towards the next support. That's the range fill. Probably gonna take you down towards 165, 411. All right. Where's Weeman? Yeah, where is Weeman? He's not online.
Welcome, Mustafa Muhammad.
Yeah, welcome to the
first time viewer.
If it's your first time here, you might be confused the first time you watch the stream. But if you can ask anyone in chat right now, ask them how their first stream was versus their, like, you know, 2 weeks in, a month in, they'll give you a better answer.
Join the Discord. The Discord's very friendly and point you all to the right direction.
Yo, chat, tell me your first experience on stream versus your current experience on stream or your couple months after. Like, wasn't it confusing at first? Clean cells to enter back in the range. Nice. Good stuff. Yeah, watch it for 2 weeks. You'll understand my lingo, and you'll probably catch up on my speech. So I talk pretty quick, and it's hard for people to adjust, especially if your English isn't, or English is not your first language. Might be a bit tough, but you'll get used to it. I just can't slow down, chat. I did slow down though. If you guys go back to my old streams, I definitely did slow down. I stopped slurring some of my words, but the habit's still there. Like, at first you won't understand me at all, and then you'll understand everything I say after. Sounds like Chad. Chat. I can't pronounce my T's. My tongue's short. It's like chat.
That said, so if it hits the white line, we buy it.
Jeez. No. When you see me in a position, I'm in a position. You can feel free to copy, or you can feel free to take notes. You can feel free to see how it plays out. You can feel free to do whatever you want. But yeah, no. You'll see me in a position when I'm in a position. You'll see me explain a position when I'm about to enter a position. You'll see me manage a trade when I'm in a position. You'll see it on my screen. There's nothing. You won't miss anything, chat. The whole world knows. You know how I know the world knows? Because everyone tunes into their streams at all of a sudden, the moment I say, all right, guys, got a buy stop here on GJ. And then take a trade and they leave. Thanks, Don. I appreciate your trade. I'm going to go back to playing Fortnite. Is it boring to wait in front of a screen? Not really. It's chat's vibey. Chat's chat's pretty good today. I like chat vibes today. I got people on the stream as well, which keep company. So I don't know. Just me and the candles. Whole chat gets quiet when they move. Yeah, because they're nervous. When I first joined the stream, I thought it was Vietnamese, but I replayed it on 0.50 speed. It was really English. Okay, how is gold range 2 cells? Yeah, I got you. You have range 1 over here. You have range 2 down here. And this is my range 3. Or range 2 breakout. So this is range 1, range 2, range 3. Honestly, chat, the range 1, range 2 thing is just market structure. Because look, when you have, like, let's say you have this right here, right? You have this, you have this, you have this. Okay, what's a range 2 breakout? Not this. This could be a fake out to go back up. But if you get a range 2, where's the range 2? Below here. So your cells would be below here. Instead of here. This would have been a fake out to go up, and boom, second range created, boom, come down, right? So if I were to put candles on this, you'll see it as this.
Oh, that's just the head and shoulders.
Oh, it's just the head and shoulders, Don. Yeah, all the same shit, Chad. You guys know that? Okay, resistance here, support here. So that's the range, right? And this is your next support, is your next range. So if you were to draw candles going up in this area here, it'll look something like this. So boom, boom, right? And then you have a bearish candle which comes down to create that support. Boom, boom. And then once you have that bearish candle, you have a bullish candle going back up to retest the highs off of that support. So you probably have something like this. 1, 2. Let's say you range for a bit, right? Let's say you range for a bit over here. Boom. You're still in the range, right? So it's still in the range. It's not really breaking out anywhere. You're still here. And then all of a sudden, you have something like this. Boom. Boom. Back into the range. You have got wick special. Something like this. Right? Respecting that resistance. And then you have a bearish candle. Something like this. Come down, retest the lows. And then at that retest the lows, you may come up range again, or you might break out. But once you break below that range now, is probably when you'll probably see sells play out, and then we'll come down to for the rest of the range. So if you
leave it on the screen too, a good point you can make, and the point of showing this is on the higher time frames, that whole left bullish structure is literally just a 4-hour candle.
Yes.
And this right side bullish structure is the current 4-hour candle that we're waiting to break the previous 4-hour candle lows, which is what we're waiting for. So it's important to know that this little head and shoulders double top, just 2-3 ranges, is literally just the 4-hour candle bullish and the 4-hour candle bearish.
Bandish.
4-hour candle bearish. So it's important to know what makes up a candle, right? One 1 hour is 4 15 minutes. 1 4 hour is 4 1 hours, etc. And that's why you don't just trade on one time frame. You trade on all the time frames because they all make up the same market structure and they just portray different times.
Yep.
Easy.
And then
Bandish.
like, yeah. And then you have, let's say you have this right here, right? So let's go and highlight this area. Just focus on these 4 candles here, right? You guys know what this is. If you have the first, if this is a 4-hour candle, and this time frame that we're looking at right now is a 1-hour time frame. If the first 2 candles are bullish and the last 2 candles are bearish, but it's not, it's only half bearish, how is that gonna look on a 4-hour candle once the 4-hour candle closes? It looks something like this. It will be a bullish candle, right? Like this. Oh, it'll be a bullish candle like that. It'll be a bullish candle like this with the wick, right? Why? Because if I were to point it out now, let's use green here. This is the high of the candle. This is the high. This is the low. This is the closure of the bearish candle. This is the closure of the bearish candle. So this is how the 4 candle is going to look after. And as that happens, what's happening on a higher time frame, on a smaller time frame? What happened here was the bias rate was bullish. We continue up. We broke into the next range. As it breaks up to the next range, the 4 candle is just filling the wick, right? So as it fills the wick, it'll look something like this after. The next 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, something like this. This is the next 4-hour candle, huge wick. And then the next 4-hour candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, it'll look something like this. The next 4-hour candle, as it closes bearish, it'll look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, something like this. Boom. And then you have this, right? So then you have the red candles, which is this red candle. This might be confusing now, but lock it in here, chat. This is the red candle. This is the red section. The next 4-hour candles, I'm gonna use a different color. I'm gonna use blue. So these are the next 4-hour candles. Blue. The next 4 are bearish, are these 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a 4-hour time frame, that's gonna be this candle. So I'm gonna use the color pink. All right, so pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Right? This bullish candle finished off over here. Therefore, that's where the candle closed. This is where the candle closed. That's the 4th one. And then obviously, as it closed bearish into the range 2 breakout, you have a higher time frame confirmation, and that higher time frame confirmation is the 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle closes bearish. You have a range 2 breakout on a small time frame. Going back to this, this is range 1 over here. This is range 2. You take sells below here. What will happen as we break range 2 will be the 4-hour candle breakout lows. Breakout lows down here. Take advantage of that. Breakout low. Go on a smaller time frame. Wait for 30-minute closure below, or 1-hour closure below. This is the 1-hour closure below. Take sells coming down. That's your candle, right? So that's market structure. That's range 2. That's ring counts backwards. That's all. That's all the same shit.
Now chat's losing their mind because gold dropped 12 pips.
You have a minute. You have a minute left, chat. You have a minute left here. Yeah, you might.
Like, gold sells. Ah!
Yeah, no, you have a minute.
Relax.
Here, chat.
Relax. Calma.
You broke the
Holy
4 lows,
shit.
right? Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. 40 seconds. Yo, we can clip that. Broly. I need to clip that. I need to clip that.
Clip.
That was I drew the candles coincidental, but it matched it perfectly up.
Paul said, could you do it again? I missed it.
Oh, brother.
And now we have the 8 a.m. closure. Woo.
Yep, they can't flip. They has no bottom wick. You can probably see that happening. I want the wick special, low key. Not bad. Every time you broke below, you feel the range.
I have that support at 1833.89.
Right here, right? I was looking at this too. I was looking to move it down towards that level at 33,900.
Yeah. It's like not a big deal because I mean, if this next candle, for example, came up and made like a serious top wick, it's gonna drive down regardless.
We need a top wick here, chat. We need a top wick possibly at 1834 prop before we take any sells here. Yeah, I'm gonna need a decent top wick. Possibly we may have to wait till 8:15. But let's see this. I need a top wick. I wanted to tap like 1835, 232. This should be the next 30-minute candle, and as it does that, this should be a top wick before we head down. Or it might just drop now. Where did it tap here? Most recent? Not really. Just tapped like a middle of a range. How big are stops in the previous candle? 28. On a flip, it was 24. Not bad. Yeah, I don't have FOMO. There's still a chance you can pull back here at top wick. But if this is your trade, enter it. It's not my trade though. ID. Here's when people FOMO in. I can feel it. It pushed. You didn't get out on the first initial break. And now you're like, oh, it's pushing. This is you right now. Fuck it. Boom. Enter sells. And now you're in sells. Let's see if this thing pulls back. He enters sells. Flip the candle. It's 80 in volume, chat. So you do have that advantage. New York Open. It's okay if you're in sell, chat. It's not a bad position. It's not wrong. It's just personal preference, you know? And to me, it didn't line up with what I wanted. Maybe move my support a little lower though. Let's see. I'm trying to see what level is this. 33. Okay. 33,790. Interesting. What did GJ do? GJ in a 1 hour close bullish. Nice. 4 accounts flipping bullish on GJ. Nice. How big is that stop on GJ? 41. Let's see how the 4 looks. So this is your resistance on the 4 hour time frame. Or this is your resistance up here. Came up, tapped that level. Okay. I don't think I can scroll further left, right? I don't think it goes that far back. Oh no, it does. Okay. Close above, drove up 6,700. All right. No more information. That's it. Look up for the range. For the range. For the range. I mean, this thing should fill the range. This would have been a fake out if we're popping back into the range here on a 30. Gold still dropping. you can say this is a fake out. Like you had a support right here, price close back into the range, and this is a potential range fill. Yeah, buy the 166.274. Sorry, man, no free promo.
MP. I'm not in, man.
NP, baby.
I think Marcos is in. I'm not in. No, there was no top wick for me.
For Marcos, there's no top wick, and he wanted a close below 33, I think, right?
Yeah. I think now if it were to come and make a steeper top wick and then rebreak
Break
it would
lows.
be clean. Yeah. But at this point, wait for an 815 closure. Below.
You can even say the 15-minute candle. If it closes below here, will be fine. Below 1832, top wick, boom. The range. If you guys are in, this is your break-even point. This is your break-even point. This is your the point where you probably want to take partials, because at this point we can flip bullish, especially with the fact that you have no top wick, and then let runners go down towards 1828. Because if this thing flips bullish, it's gonna create a top wick. You hit break even, and if you don't move stops break even, you might be in drawdown if you were to flip bullish again. If right.
Weekly candles looking to flip today, down at 1826.
I hate Twitch now. Everything is stake gambling stream.
I know.
So annoying. Like, bro. I heard
I pulled up and it was Aiden Ross was live at like 60K people at 3 a.m.
the fact that they all gotta move to Toronto or Canada, sorry, to do a stake sponsorship. Like Aiden moved there for a year. I've never seen Aiden on the streets. Bro.
DJ 4 hours gonna flip.
Yeah, four could flip. Possibly.
Dr. Dollar said, I'm in this. Pray for the runner. Pray for Dr. Dollar. Pray for Reza. We can get sells. I have runner targets down like 1824.
Five minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Lovely. I'm trying to get on this 15-minute candle too. If we can close below here in a 15 chat, below 1832, perfect. The only reason why we didn't get in on the first initial entry was because there was no top wick. There was not enough of a top wick. But if we're driving right and we're breaking into a new range, also driving, like this is a second range you can take advantage of. You fill the range here coming down towards 1830 probably, or 1828. Those levels. That's your target, 1828.
Just needs to leave a bottom wick now.
Yeah.
You just tapped out a minor support at 1830 or 1831. So hopefully we can get a closure above. I mean, below 1832, but above 1831.
That's a nice wick fill. You broke the lows. I'm glad we broke that low at 1831, 668. That little to the left there, and then this next wick fill should be clean. Pretty nice, chat. Pretty nice. Might not even close below. Might even create a top wick. If you FOMO'd over here, you would have been good. But if you FOMO'd over here, you would have been probably losing your shit right now. If you FOMO, at least FOMO your first initial FOMO entry.
Yeah, everyone that was in should have had stops to break even.
Minimum.
That retracement minimum, exactly.
The less of a topic you have, the more aggressive you want to be with your stops to break even. That's how I do it. That's how I see it.
Hey, yo,
peace out. Thanks, Dr. Dollar, for 20.
Waller.
I don't got music for donations.
I guess not.
I swear I added music for it. It's weird. That's where I'll put music for it.
Ka-ching. That would be funny if you had a cha-ching thing. This is good though. 5 minute, previous 5 minute close doji with that big bottom wick. Now if this next 5 minute and the 15 minute close below, a nice bottom wick, you could have that bottom wick advantage point, 10 pips.
Oh, 5 minute close bullish. Nice. Stop loss.
Why is there no bottom wick for gold on TradingView, but for the weekly candle, but there's a long bottom wick on IC markets? You probably just have different rollover times.
Yo, Flower flipped on GJ. I'm pretty locked in the gold right now, though, guys. I don't know if I'll be in GJ. Then for GJ, I'll wait for buys above 166, possibly. Above that range. It's gonna be a lot cleaner. $48. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Can you close below, or will we close in the range? You have 8 minutes till comics. You have 15 minutes until 17 minutes until 8:30. And then you have NYC in about an hour. So if we have volume this like right now, expect a lot more volume coming in at NYC chat. 9 a.m. Yeah, yo, MM, you're right. Yeah, it could definitely still pull back, and it can definitely still pop back into the range. I wouldn't be surprised. It can definitely still pop in the range at 1834. Above 1834, if it pops back up in that range, it can still flip for a day, or it can still continue your drive. Yeah. I want to create that 1 hour topic at the 1832. Please add a watermark to your chart. I don't like the way it looks. What's wrong with this? You see gold top left. You see prices on the right. I only trade GJ and gold. This is GJ on the right, you can tell, and this is gold. Yeah, Chad, you have news, but it's like very it's minor news. Still be aware of it, obviously, but it's very minor. So I'll put this link here just in case we take a trade. Copy and paste to that. Cool. Ooh, 1 minute, 50 seconds. Where's Wix? He's not online right now. I'm not sure. Probably busy. Did you not get to gold cells? Was it because of the wick? Yeah, I wanted a deeper wick. I was expecting the 835 levels get tapped before we drove. Okay, you may not even get a 15 closure here, so that means that we may have to wait for the 30 closure, which is completely fine, man. 830 is completely fine. Still early in the day, still bright and early. That 5 minute you can say is closing below. You have a support, like a minor support right here to the left on the 5 minute. You close below there. This next 5 minute could for the wick coming down towards 1832 possibly. But at this point, I want to see closures below 1832, 709 to enter. Because the advantage point here was like what? Oh, there was the advantage point. The advantage point was 2 pips. You got it. Now the question is, can this 30 close below? Wix is here. He's just driving, yeah. Did you reject it? Yeah. Fair enough. Buys of 166, 457. How big is this range? We're missing out on maybe like 20 pips, but better position would be above 666, 468. It'll be the 4 can help break at the highs too. You trade Comex open? No, it's still in the works right now. I haven't like directly traded it, but I'm definitely aware of it. I've been pretty aware of it starting I was pretty aware of it starting probably March, February, I think mid-March. Been looking at it for the past 2 months now. 3 months. Like I know what it is. I just gotta add it to my setups, my playbook. Take advantage of it. At the end of the day, it usually lines up with tentacles, but the question is like how can you make it outline for yourself and make it work for you? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Bring some Indonesia. Nice. Reza, what up? Second Reza. Yo, Naked HD. Brother. Did NAF not pay you enough?
Jeez. Donvo, do you do any other job? He's a content creator.
I'm a content creator for DVS.
Only bands.
Saying content creator sounds cringe. I don't know why. Well, not cringe to me. Honestly, this is all cringe to me, honestly, but I just do it. Trading FX could be cringe. If anything, that sounds more cringe than content creator. Yet we still do it.
FX is the most cringe.
Yeah, it sounds a lot more cringe.
I don't even like saying it. I don't even put that shit in most of my titles. I just say trading.
What'd you say next? Can I see it? 11 minutes. 11 minutes, guys. Ladies and gents, you have 11 minutes. What will Comics Open do? Oh, 1 minute actually. Let's see. 1 minute and 6 seconds. You are potentially gonna create a steeper wick here. Oh, nice. Perfect. Yeah, if we can tap 1834, 1835. If you break 1836 on this comics open, then we are going up, guys. Then you can say this is a fake out to go back up into the range.
Right now and tap 1820.
Yeah. I think we're in a time gold right now where we may just be stuck in this range for quite some time, from 1842 to 1832. Tough range to be in. Some people got clapped. I think the majority of you guys are good. You guys hit break even, right? Hit break even or close partials. Hey, but if you get FOMO down here, then that's a you problem. Oh yeah, comics open.
Naked HD. And how he became so successful.
Uh-oh. Comics open. You're breaking the lows again. Okay, perfect. 15 career steeper wick by like half a pip. If we can close below here, perfect, chat. I'll be in. If it breaks, it may break here and drive. Possibly, chat. This is part of sample sizing for me, though. If it breaks the lows and drives, then add to the comics sample sizing category.
Imagine if Dr. Disrespect started doing FX streams. That would be comedy, man.
I don't know if FX will ever get any bigger than it is.
Probably not.
It's so tough. It's just...
You gotta brand it differently.
I think it'll be here.
Brand it as FOREX.
It'll be here forever.
You gotta brand it as trading and like... You see how Ryan does his videos, like he's able to incorporate the metaverse and shit.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta do it that way. That's the best way to incorporate it. Or Beheza. There's some YouTubers.
Beza?
Yeah, Heza.
Oh, it would be silent. Yeah. Take trades on JJ? No, I'm in no trades. When I'm in a trade, yes and no. I will possibly be in a trade though in about 8 minutes here if you get a closure below 1832 on gold.
How to buy a Lambo looking at charts. That'd be a good title.
Not bad title. Good to you. Small chillin'.
Naked HD is trying to get his hustle on. Hey man, I respect Naked HD because he is consistent. That man's more consistent than y'all. $8
minutes. Yeah, so comics open. We kind of before pre-comics we came up, created a high. I guess you can say that grab liquid. And then you broke the lows there, and you possibly could be driving down towards 1838 here. This is good that you're driving though. You broke the lows, that's perfect. If you can pull back for 830, that'd be great. If not, then you're just gonna continue to drive. Right, because if we did tend to get that top way, a steeper one. That's part of me sample sizes, no chat. Like I'm still like, like it came down cool, but that doesn't mean like tomorrow coming open, I'm gonna be taking a position. Like I'm definitely still not comfortable with it yet. Who in the world of FX said I take 80% at 10 pips? You might be getting the wrong trader out there, man. I don't know, but I do not take 80% at 10 pips. Who said we take 80% at 10 pips? And who said it was always 10 pips?
Man's at the wrong stream.
Yeah, brother. Control FX, what I'm taking a trade. I gotta call him back, right? It's funny. We're 2-0 right now with Donvo. 2 cheers on Friday. This is good, guys. This is really good. You broke the lows, so if we can get a wick foot here, that'd be great. Perfect. We just can't drive. You just gotta stay here or pull back a bit more. Yeah, I said grab liquid. Yep, that's what I said. Grab liquid. Grab liquidity. Same thing. Grab liquid in our lingo though. You know what? I'm not gonna call grab liquid no more, chat. I'm gonna say grab the water bottle. What's your stop loss? There's no stop loss because we're not in a trade, guys. Once I'm in a trade, you will see the entry, you will see the stop loss, you will see the TP. All right, guys. We try to get those things to you guys, so you guys know what you guys are risking, what you guys are like, what to look forward to before the trade's even there. There we go, trades are trolling. It's 5 minutes on a pullback for a top wick. If it can pull back hard enough, close bullish from the 5, it'll be a nice 30-minute wick fill. Stops looking like it's gonna be. It depends where it pulls back, but hey yo, Berg with tier 2. Start up a business. Thanks, Berg, for a tier 2. I appreciate it.
Starting up a business?
Yeah, I am. I know what it's called.
Devious.
It's called Recruit One Member, and that member gets in for free.
Guys, you can get 3 people to join tier 2 subs for Dombo's channel. You will get your sub for free. And free swipe signals.
And then if that person gets 3 people, then
yeah, if you can bring 10 new Devious subscribers to Dombo's channel, you will become Devious 100.
You become Chairman 100.
Devious 5000. Punk Master Flex.
Hey, appreciate it though, Berg. Thanks for supporting us. All right, guys, 3 minutes here. Will we get a trade? $140 ZAR. How much is that? Bro, trust me, I'm a smart money trader.
Hey. W.
He's trolling though. I know he's not. Well, how much is 140 ZAR?
That's $8. That's not bad.
Hey, that's not bad.
BABYYY. It's a thought that counts, by the way.
11.
No matter how much you donate.
Yeah, Chad. I don't even ask for donations, Chad. Don't even donate. Don't waste your time donating to me.
This is the most in a while, by the way. Donations and subs. Someone said, let me call my 6-figure earner friends and we'll blow this up. All donations go to MM or his blown account.
That's a smart money concept? I don't know. I tried dumb money concept. No, smart money concept, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what you want me to say. It works. I mean, it works with people. Just do what works for you. I mean, it doesn't work for me. I'll tell you that. It didn't work for me when I attempted it. But maybe I didn't give it enough time. Maybe I didn't give it enough sample sizing. But once I see the surge, I can't go back. I can't unsee what I see now. It's just difficult. All right. May use current count stops. Chat may not be able to use previous count stops. The range going down is 20 pips here. So current count stops probably give us 20. Depending. Let's see. 1 minute and a half. Depends how far we pull back here.
We trade dumb money concepts and get better results than everybody. It's because they're just vibes, man.
Where's Wix now? He's on his way. Oh, perfect. Maybe we might use purse count stops. Maybe we might be able to use current count stops, guys. Maybe. Just maybe.
You know, it'd be fire. I hate to be that guy. This comes up and just like all the way up to 1833.
Well,
and then flips.
Let me get no interest. Oh no, that's what I want. 33, yeah.
Yeah.
For a top wick. I thought I meant like 35 or something.
No.
That would be no trade then. 50 seconds, guys. 50 seconds here. How is it GJ closing, by the way? GJ is going to close pretty bearish after tapping that top of the range. Yeah, it looks like it's going to continue down here to fill the range at 165 coming down. How big is that range? 20 pips? 16 pips. That's not too bad. Yeah. There's a very high chance GG drives here. Broke the 1 hour lows already too, so you ain't gotta worry about that. The only thing I'll say is the 4 hour candle, but the 4 hour candle looks like it's not gonna flip and drive up for the last 30 minutes of the 4 hour candle. So there's a high chance to drive down here if you close below the support on GG2. Gold. The only way we can get in is if it pulls back, and it looks like we may not. Worst case, wait for 9 a.m.
Dumb money, Dr. Dollar.
Looks like we're getting GG, guys. Looks like it may not be gold. That's all right. Yeah, because look at gold. The range going down is 15 pips here. Yeah, like now, yeah, it's over. It's gonna fill the range. But GJ chat, not bad. Using current candle stops possibly. So we're gonna have a sell stop right here on GJ at 165.926. Sell stops right here on GJ. And the current candle stops. The range going down is like 15 pips. So if this stop loss exceeds 15 pips, we delete the sell stops. You heard me? But yeah, I got sell stops there.
Shout out Dr. Dollar, another dono.
Yeah, I got sell stops here, guys. 165.926. And small stops too.
It stops like 12 pips.
Yeah. Yeah.
In a while.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't gotta worry about the breakout lows in the 1 hour.
I think you missed it while you were typing, but Dr. Dollar donated again.
Oh shoot, that's $1. Thanks for a 10.
He said dumb money.
Dumb boys. You know what's good about gold though, guys? What's good about gold here is if you pull back here, like what do you think the next candle is gonna do? Look at the 4 hour candle. Look how much room it has to drive down now. Because look, you can say that this is a whole range here off the 4 hour time frame. You can say this is a range here from here to here. So if this is a range here and this is the 4 hour fake out, it's a high chance that if you break back into the range, you're gonna most likely fill the range at 9 a.m. Because the range fill will take you down towards 1821. And then you can say, okay, well, if we come down towards 1821, you tap the bottom of the range. On top of that, you're flipping bearish for the weekly as well. Weekly flips bearish. That's the start of the run. The weekly hasn't even flipped yet, right? So if you have full more of this move, don't worry, you have more range to drive down. So we can possibly take another position at 9 a.m. For the 4 hour candle. Coming down 822 is a 100 pip range going down. Possibly even 1819. Day candle breaks the lows too. Weekly candle fills the wick and drives down. That'd be perfect, right? So I wouldn't have FOMO over that move if you guys weren't able to catch it. It's good that we're pulling back here too. Even if you go on a 30-minute time frame, you're probably gonna see price may mirror this move here to the left. So we had this candle rejected, came back into the range, next candle continued down. Same thing can happen here. Or you can say what's even better is you might be able to mirror this move over here. This whole range going down because that would match it with the weekly time frame I just mentioned. But yeah, I got sell stops here on Judah though. I got on my brokerage different. I got sell stops at 165.916. Yeah, 916 is my sell stop. Stop loss is gonna be probably current count stops for 11 pips, TP 16 pips here. No runners, or no possible runners. I may leave runners down towards 165 for 11. Overall, the minimal range fill, the advantage point here is this range going down at 165.796. Reason behind this trade, you have the 1 hour candle broke the lows, 30-minute candle closed below this range here to the left, like right here, this range right here, right? Create a top wick, perfect top wick. This thing flips bearish. We should be activated coming down towards 165.7 6.8. Stop loss current candles. Again, if this stop loss exceeds 15 pips, if it goes up to like 15, we'll just delete sell stops because it won't be a 1-to-1, and we'll probably wait for the hour candle close.
Good news for the dollar. Double positive. That's good for our gold cells.
Yes, for the remaining of the day.
NYSE.
Yep. Looking at this too, chat, it's a very high. Like look at this. You have this right here to the left, right? Every time you close below his range here, what happened? Or back into the range. Close below, fill 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 the range. Same thing should happen here. Fill the range. Pretty simple trade. It's that simple. Break-even point, possibly just the whole. Probably just I think once you break the lows here, because if we're entering the flip here, right? This thing comes down, breaks the lows for 6 pips. This thing should not flip bullish again. If it flips bullish, it's gonna create a steeper wick. Especially if we spend this much time creating a steeper wick right now. We break those lows, break even, and then I probably will let the whole position run until 16 pips. Close full. No runners. Because you're gonna pull back for the forward candle. Yeah, my sell stop on blue bear markets is 165.918. There's like a mini gap there.
The clean range down to 7.6.
Yeah.
I guess your advantage point would be the wick fill, but you should be fine as long as if you break those lows, it should go straight to support. Exactly, Ramton. It's good news, but it's not that simple. That's why we wait for technicals. That's why we need a closure below, regardless of news. We wouldn't just be like, "Oh, good news, sell."
Yeah, no. That's what we meant.
Buy stops and sell stops.
We cancel a sell stop. I only cancel the sell stops for 2 reasons. If this top wick exceeds 15 pips, so if it breaks 166.086, or 2, it's the last 15 of the 4-hour candle. It looks like we're gonna have to delete sell stops here. Oh, one more pip and we'll delete sell stops here. One more pip. Almost.
This would be a good place to reject too.
Yeah, if it rejects, we reject around these levels here. And yeah, delete sell stops, chat. Delete sell stops here because this isn't a 1-to-1 for me. Gonna delete them and wait for the 4-hour candle close. No one should have been in.
Might get a gold closure at 9.
Is that 4-hour candle pulling back?
No, it's driving. So I have a 30-minute support at 18.2898. Get a 30-minute closure below that at 9 a.m. Where's the weekly flip? Close, right?
25.
Weekly,
27.
27.
Yep.
Only 10 pips away. Or 20 pips away.
Weekly swings. Ooh. Look at the weekly chat. Like, it just tells you everything right here. This is all the information you need this week. All you gotta do is draw a line here and draw a line here. That's your supply and demand zone. That's your range. You flip bearish, you fill in the wick. Minimum, your tap and target 8 to 10.
Like, as soon as you log in on the charts, if you looked at the weekly, you could have instantly saw that the daily came up to make the weekly top wick. Now 4-hour closing bearish is just the bread and butter for that confirmation. Now you just need closures below your smaller time frame ranges. Marcos, how long have you been trading? 4 years. 4 years and 4 months. 52 months.
Yo, if you guys are new here, I appreciate you for being here today. You guys been pretty chill today. Leave a like, sub to the channel if you guys are new. Much love.
You said pretty chill.
Pretty chill, pretty chill.
What's that, Fibonacci? Yo, Chad, do you like me and Don's matching headphones? And matching microphones? Kind of cute, right?
Anyways, Apex layer, guys. Oh, by the way, I wanted to talk about this earlier, but like I was talking too much, and we waited for the ADM close. But when I was drawing that whole thing out, where did I draw it out at? It was at
758.
Yeah. So when I was drawing this out, right? When I was drawing market structure, all of that out, and explaining it, right? Explaining how the 4 accounts work. If you look at it from a fib standpoint, same shit as well. Let's say you draw your fib from here, right? Let's say you draw your fib from like here. What's the outstanding color? You can use yellow. All right. Let's say you draw. Just focus on the yellow. Your fib from here to here, and this is your retracement. What retracement is that on the fib? 38.2 or 61.8 if you mark it off the wicks, right? The only difference is using a fib versus waiting for candles to close is a candle to close is your extra confirmation. A fib is just a number on a screen. What does that even mean? You can literally reject off 31, 68, 50. You know where it's gonna reject off of. But if you look at candles, you know where it's gonna reject off of, right? If you pay attention to where candles close, then this is a 61.8 and drive up to retest the highs for the wick. And as that's happening, the 4 account is just filling the wick. If you look at it from that perspective as well, that I explained earlier, right? That's how it is. It all comes back full circle. Oh wow, we flip bearish, nice. How big were the stops though on the GJ? Yeah, no, see 20 pips. I could have forced it. I don't know. I would have been break even here. It did reject off a logical level though, chat. Like this is your logical level. This right here. It just came down to RR. But I mean, there's your trade. There's your position. This would have been 20 pip stops instead of 15 pip stops. I'm surprised. Before the 4 to 5 count too.
That was clean flip.
I was like, yo, you can't have a 12 pip stop, man. Sorry.
I know. We were like, right before the trade, we were like, damn, 12 pip stops, clean. 20 pip stops.
Like there's an 85% refill of range, but it just came down to just RR.
All right, so who wins, the RR monsters or the?
Yeah, see, like RR, like it matters, but again, like it doesn't affect the trade itself. Price will move if it moves. Like if this was a negative 55 RR, the wick fill was there. You would have been break even either way. You knew for a fact that taking advantage of that wick fill, like you had a high chance to come down to fill the range.
The Elliott wave is key. Oh, brother.
Probably would have closed too. Fully. Since there's no runners anyways, right? Because like, if you close half at 10, like what's the point? You're leaving runners for 5 pips. What's that gonna do for your 10 pip full closure? You might as well close a full position. There's no point of leaving runners then. That would have been a quick trade too. But no, I would have, I don't know. No way I would have forced it, right? Could have. 20 pips would have been down here. Not really.
That's decent though. The way I would have traded that, like I've done it on gold, is I would have like held the trade, even if it like tapped support. You know what I'm saying? Instead of closing partial.
Yeah.
But then you're really just it's kind of like you're kind of gambling. You're kind of just hoping it drives below support, right? Because I've done that on gold before, where support was like 7 pips away and stops were like 20, but I just didn't close any at 7 and then just held and just hoped. It's like fine, but it's like kind of a gamble because you're hoping. Hope. There's no hope in trading.
Nope. No hopping and trading.
Hopping.
This is a good 4 account closure though, guys. Very good 4 account closure on gold and GJ. Like look at the 4 account on GJ too. What are we gonna mirror? I wonder what we're gonna mirror. I wonder, looking at this right here, what we're gonna mirror on GJ. Right, chat? What are we gonna mirror here? Huh? Huh? Interesting. Would you enter a trade less than 120 if the odds are very high? Might hit your target? Usually no. Just have some mental block there. I can't really enter a negative RR trade. You know, it doesn't really affect, like, I don't know, not really. Haven't done that. Guys, they still young. It's not even NYC yet.
I'm so excited to play Apex. NYSC, we're gonna get gold cells. 9:30.
Yep.
20 pips.
I'm here until what time are you here till today? I'm here till 10:30.
10:30. Probably I don't know about that, but maybe 10. It depends if we get a trade, right?
Yeah.
Hey Sakar, just put your check out the gaming channel in the Discord. You could that's where we talk about Apex and stuff.
What up, Badger? Oh, there's Badger. Badger, I was thinking, you see for this right here, let me know your thoughts. Let's say this is the overall, takes up 4 boxes, and then 2 of the boxes, let's say this is GJ, and then this is, or no, let's say this is GJ, and then the second box will be gold. Would that look a lot cleaner? Because I want the main focus to be the overall win rate. It'll be like 4 boxes here, and then just 2, 2, and 2. Right? That'll look a lot cleaner, I think.
We'll probably delete win stats for the year 2022.
No,
Self-explanatory, no?
No, because when I post the screenshot, I want to have it there.
Oh.
Too lazy to type it out.
You're ridiculous. I'm gonna kick you in the throat. This guy, bro. I'm too lazy to type out 4 words.
Man, I type too much in a day.
Nightbot is non-binary.
My chair's so low today.
When are you getting in a chair? And then a camera?
When I some point getting a chair now. Probably when I leave. I don't know. When I don't know.
Just buy it today. For the camera. What do you do with all your money, man? This guy.
Yo, no one knows what I do with my money, chat.
My man just buries it like a dog buries his treats.
Chat, probably spent a lot more money than you guys think.
On useless stuff.
Well, gotta balance it out, man.
New chair and new camera for YouTube? Nah. Wagyu?
Yep. Hell yeah.
Wagyu steak? Yep. Yeah, Sempi, exactly. I'm like, when you buying a chair, he's like, when no comment.
I'm gonna buy. I'm probably gonna be. I'm probably gonna get a new mic and all that too eventually. Like I just wanna like if I get my stuff, I wanna get it all at once. Cause I want a better mic than this eventually.
How much better do they get? I feel like this is a pretty good mic.
As for the camera, I don't know.
Joe Rogan has a pretty crazy mic.
No, mic's definitely get bigger, but I don't know. It's like getting a new camera. It's like. Bounce to my charts, my lines. There it is.
Well, if you type in a JRE library, it tells you his whole setup with everything. Podcast, headphones, microphones. Yeah, he does use the Shure. He uses this.
Yeah, Shure mic. This is a Shure mic.
We both have Shure mics, man.
I put Michael's on.
You put me on. I got the Shure mic.
Yeah, my whole equipment. Everything has everything I have except for you have a stand-up desk?
I have a stand-up desk and my chair is better.
You never stand up.
My PC and my chair are better.
All right. Well, what are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say you're cheap.
Me, cheap.
I got a $2,000 chair. This guy's got a $90 chair. But Wagyu?
Hey, let's see who spent more money this month.
You. That's the problem. This dude eats Wagyu and raw fish. That's it. No, he's not frugal. That's the thing. Yo. Bring out the glasses, Don. Bring out the glasses. My man's got $2,500 Louis Vuitton glasses, and he eats Wagyu every day, but he won't buy a nice mic. I mean, a nice chair.
Honestly, what works, it works. I think XQC, you know, $1 million. Guys eats his fingernails per stream. Millionaire.
Does the chair make you trade better? Yes, because I'm not distracted by my back pain.
I mean, that's a you problem, man. Got the
I
gym.
know. The gym.
I don't know. I got no back pains. Plastering some adverts over your streams. What? Ooh,
What?
Grant X? What?
Make it HD.
Military life kills your back. Does it really?
It really does, bro. I need that disability payment.
Don't you get a thing from that? Don't they cover that stuff up for you?
You gotta apply.
Oh, I thought it automatically does. Like, you get a bunch of benefits and stuff like that.
It's so bad for your back. You do just so much lifting. Thoughts on Tottenham signing Basuma? Ain't he a criminal? He's out of case. Top spot. Ooh, who's top spot? Exclamation point broker. I use Trader's Domain. Don uses Blueberry.
Both are good brokers.
I live in the US. If you live in the US, you can't use Blueberry.
They said 4 years. So, guys, if you guys want to wait 4 years for Blueberry,
I'm gonna start trading in 4 years.
I don't know. Even if you guys do trade it, like, you can't even trade gold on it. Like, there's no way US will ever allow you guys to trade gold, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but you guys just can't trade gold on a regular broker.
Oh yeah, we can't trade spot gold derivatives, something like that.
It's your what's it called? It's your
which is literally the only pair I trade, so I have no choice but to trade unregulated. I don't know why.
Yeah, you come to Canada, guys. You gotta trade gold for free, no commissions. Hey.
Man said you need a good chair for when the market blows your back out. Backed us. Gold buy stops hit.
You can't for low leverage.
Good luck. Yeah, the futures contract. Yeah, I don't know the specifics around it. I just haven't cared to do the research, but there's some reasonings on the regulations. Spreads on Trader's Domain are fine. On gold, it's about 2 pips. On GJ, it's about 1.5. Gold gets up to like 2.5 on high volume times. So I think Blueberry's a little lower, right?
Yeah, it's usually half of it.
And Blueberry
honestly,
has no
chat,
commissions
long term,
gold.
It doesn't make you a better trader than like spreads make you a better trader. I think Wix is here. Yeah.
Don't be caught up on the wrong shit. If you're caught up on spreads and all this shit, bro, I promise you that's not what's making your trading bad or worse.
Yeah. Yeah. Every now and then you may get like, you know, like, yes, I might survive, you may not, or some might survive, you may not. That's okay. It doesn't change. It doesn't make you rich.
Yeah, most importantly, you want a trustworthy broker.
It's like saying like you found $5 on the floor and like, you know, like like it's not, you found it, cool, but it's not gonna make you rich. Or like you know, like you see someone else's money laying around, you take it, like, bro, it's not gonna make you rich. Just leave it. It's not, no point of it long term. Don't worry about things you can't control. Secret Lab. A lot of streamers use that.
Sim just signed with contracts with NFTs. Huh? Who's Sim?
Symphony?
No.
What's the cost of living at the moment in Canada? If you have a crib, that's probably minimum like a cheap, like the cheap, like decent cheap. you probably got a 2.5K rent a month. On top of that, you probably got, if you have a car, that's probably another like, I don't know, 800 a month. I don't know, depending on whatever you play, but I don't know, probably a good 4 or 5K with food and all that. 4 or 5K a month, 4.5K. That's if you're living alone. If you split it, that's like 2.5K, but if you have a partner.
Мне такси приехал.
Yo, I can hear that. Oh, that sounds Wix. Is that
It was
you?
Wix.
Oh,
It was Wix.
yeah, I should meet him. So he comes back. XQC. He's a gambler. Or car you drive. I don't got my license yet. I'm actually getting it this summer though. Like this month. Locking it in. Probably won't be able to drive by August though, so Marcus probably gonna drive.
Oh, Vancouver? Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna rent a Tesla. The vibes.
That's right, Eurus. Wixie! Yo, you look tan. Yo, why your neck look so decent today?
What?
This guy looked like neck mercs.
He was doing neck curls this morning.
Said neck mercs.
Bro, why you look like that? Why you look so
Looks
decent
mercs.
today? This one you're looking like this today, bro.
Yo, someone had it Wix like that.
That's funny.
Yo, what the fuck? What is this, bro? What is this?
How they got him fat?
Oh, brother.
Yo, this is what Marcus looks like, honestly. Yo, you a waste, no?
I used to have waves. I got
You
curls
look like
now.
somebody with waves.
Right now I have naps, but typically I'll have curls.
Yeah, the wave man is here, chat.
I've been here for like 40 minutes.
No, you haven't. Your
Yeah,
screen was
just no
your screen was
face.
dark. Okay.
Oh yeah,
okay.
it was dark, but it was just, that's why I said no face.
Until I see that camera, you're not actually here. Yo, how you feel about these gold cells in about 3 minutes here? Looking nice. 4-hour candle.
Yeah, it needs to hurry up. I want to go to the beach.
Nice out in Miami.
What were you doing this morning?
I took my daughter to lifeguard camp,
Mm.
and they start early, but they're like today they have like jet skis and like all that shit. So I don't know. They have like beach games and training. I don't know. So should be fun, but I feel out of it. I had a whole bunch of Terramana yesterday.
Terramana. I've had Terramana.
Yeah.
I didn't like Terramana. I didn't like it.
Honestly, yeah, I'm not. I think the Patron Silver was much better.
Terramana is a tequila.
I can only do yeah.
That's the rocks tequila. Huh? We're drinking that
Honestly,
all.
never drinking again.
We're drinking that all night yesterday.
Done.
Honestly, I don't even want to know the people I was with ever again.
Thing's bad for you, chat.
I
There's
hate
nothing good
everyone
comes
that
from
makes me
drinking.
drink.
I swear.
Yeah, like bro, I'm taking like when I
I like a
drink.
glass of red, and that's it.
I'm a big smoker. I'm a little drinker. I don't drink much, so
I drink once every blue moon. Not really drink though. I just like take a sip, whatever. Like I don't really drink. I can't drink. My head hurts.
yeah. So yeah.
For the vibes, but not so much of I feel stressed today. I need to take a drink. You know, sip my Hennessy.
You mean alcoholism?
Nah.
Oh, he's got a
Nah,
headache.
You're not an alcoholic until you go to meetings.
I never had a hangover though. Never. But maybe because I haven't drank enough.
That's a damn lie.
Never.
You ever felt like shit after drinking?
Yeah, like
That's
every
a
time,
hangover.
every time. But not like when
That's a
not when I
hangover.
wake up.
Oh yeah, because you don't go to sleep early enough.
2 minutes. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, so if this is the forward candle, right, and this is your support right here, you close below in 4 to 5 seconds. This next forward candle should likely probably create a top wick, tapping that most recent resistance. So you're probably looking at this area right here, actually, from 18.4 to this next support here. This is your range, right? So if this new forward candle opens up and gives you a nice top wick, this thing flips bearish, it should fill the range. So your top wick, you're expecting it to be tapping into these levels over here, 1836. 1835, 1834. Once you get the top wick tapping those levels, I will have a sell stop on the flip, taking sells coming down to fill the range. All right. So, yeah. First guy out there, a beer? No, not even, bro. I drink like 5% wine. I'm dead. All right, cool, perfect. So that's the top wick. Nice. If you can get a nice top wick in a forward candle, we can just take a 4 or so. Perfect. Alrighty. It'll be heavily based off the 4 hour time frame. Heavily. Oh, that's not enough. If you drive, you drive, but that's definitely not enough for me. Not enough at all. Thing is, the steeper we drive down here, that's where our sell stop has to be. So let's say it drives down to 830. That's where the sell stop has to be if you were to reject. Because there's a high chance you're going to come out to create a steeper wick, but you can still come down for a bit first before you drive. As long as it doesn't break the lows here. Because if it breaks the lows, then there's a high chance the move's done. The thing might just drop all the way down towards 1822. But if you don't break the lows and you hover here and you don't have a top wick, there's a high chance you're gonna get that top wick. As for GJ closed, yeah, GJ forward candle is not bad. There's a high chance it fills the range here at 165.783. Definitely not bad, but I'm just locked in the gold right now. Gold looks a lot cleaner for me in terms of daily bias, because GJ daily bias is still bullish, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, we're still bullish on a daily, like heavily bullish. Gold, like we're like the forward candle shows a lot of bearish momentum. So just hold on a bit. 1821 is the next target though.
No, I saw yesterday. I saw Steve will do it yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, I seen him at the Hard Rock. Yeah, it was he was sitting at a pretty massive private game behind the glass.
Oh, casino?
Hmm?
At the casino?
Yeah, I mean you could see them, like the private games. They're behind the glass door. Like that's the only place you would see the motherfucker is gambling.
Of course. What's next target? 1821. 1821.900 next target. It comes down to just how you're gonna enter here. There's a high chance by 1 p.m. you'll probably tap target, but it just comes down to where can I enter and how can I manage risk and what are the logical stops for me. All right, that's what we're trying to figure out. Trying to figure out where we tap there. I guess you can say you tap this level right here, most recent, which is there, but I don't know. I'm using current count stops. If we're using previous count stops, different story. But current count stops, this is a bit too small for me. I think Friday's trade was very similar. We got a small bottom wick at 9 a.m. But the difference was we used previous count stops, I believe. Yeah, see? So we use previous count stops. So that's why a small wick was fine. But if we're using the current count stops, you're going to need a steeper wick because you're depending on that candle as your stop. Last thing I want to do is take a position here. This thing flips bullish. I get stopped out, right? Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, you don't want it to come back and make a steeper wick.
Yeah. Now we use 1 hour count stops, but 1 hour has a top wick. I rather just put my trust into the. I really want to see the 1 hour break the highs of anything for the 4 hour drive down.
I was thinking like 1 hour break the highs, and then you get like a clean 9:15 bearish closure,
Perfect.
and you can use those stops.
And think about it this way, because it's a new 4 hour, right? Chances of a 4 hour coming back and re-breaking and making a steeper wick are pretty high typically. in our session, right? Because we'll trade the 4-hour break, but the initial 4-hour move, but it tends to come back up throughout that 4 hours and make steeper wicks. So if it does that, you don't want to be in the wrong direction.
This is not a cooking channel said, aren't you worried that support 1828.900? Yeah, but if you're entering at 1830, right? You come down to 1828. What's that? That's your advantage point. That's the advantage point where we want, right? That's your clean range. That's when you go risk free. That's when you close partials because it's a decent support level plus a wick fill, and then you let the rest run towards TP. So you don't have to worry about what happens after that. You tap that support. Okay, cool. You can reject. Okay, reject. Reject, hit break even. Don't reject. You drop down. Runners hit. Perfect. No risk. But look,
No risk,
top wick,
exactly.
perfect. If you were patient enough, you would have waited for it. Now I'm gonna have a sell stop. Now I'm gonna have a sell stop chat. 1 hour broke the highs, 2, perfect, exactly what I wanted. We're gonna have a sell stop at 1830.907 here. All right, sell stops here, stop loss current kind of high. So if it flips here, it's gonna be 37 pip stops. TP is 88 pips, 88, my lucky number, or my favorite number.
88.
888, eight's my favorite number.
Eric Lindros.
Yo, you watched Avalanche yesterday? They won a cup.
Yeah. No, I didn't see it. I was out and about. I was getting Terramonted.
I'm happy for Kadri, former Leafs.
Yeah, I'm happy the Lightning didn't win. That's enough. 2's enough.
Yeah, it was good seeing them in pain after. Like, we lost in the first round, but you spent all that extra time, and you lost in the finals. Gonna be me, man. I'm a Leafs fan. Never seen me play hockey in June. McDavid's 98, not 88. 88 is who's 88?
Eric Lindros.
Who else is 88 right now? I like 98. I like 90. 91's a cool number. Stamkos, Tavares. McKinnon is 93, right, or 92? 98's cool. Nylander, yeah. Nylander's 98. Yeah. Willie. Where's your sell stop on TD? If you guys have sell stops.
I don't currently have sell stops, but wicks.
1830.86 for me, chat.
On TD, it will be 1830.85.
Nice. This is perfect. If you can push up a bit more, it'll be great. I want to see like 35, 200, 35, 600, like even 1836. It's fine. Perfectly fine. Because you say the 1 hour has no top wick, so this is fine if it breaks. Because the 4 hour trade, you can break highs and still respect the 4 hour highs as long as it respects 1840. This thing is still valid, but you just don't want to. You don't want it to break that level because then stops are gonna be like 90 pips, right? Uh-oh. What up, FD? What's going on, my brother?
Morning, team. Morning.
Morning.
What's going on, Nifty?
How you guys been?
You watched that game last night?
Man, I was jumping, man. Just like what you said, super happy for Kadri. Oh, really good.
Yeah. I wanted him to come back to Toronto. I think he is eventually, but his contract ends next season.
No, they're gonna keep him. He didn't mess up big enough to leave.
Yeah, I know. But he probably wants more money. He probably wants a good deal. Like, this is the best season in a while, right? He probably wants a good deal. Like,
yeah.
Probably some William need. Like, he probably wants like 5 mil.
Yeah, he might even get it.
6
Come
mil.
back like that and score an overtime goal. Jeez. He's the man.
What's his contract? Yeah, like he's getting paid.
He might get like 6.
How much you want? 2? Or how much is he getting right now? 2.6 for 1 year?
Is it the Leafs contract or?
Oh no, that's not. He's getting paid 4 mil. Yeah, he probably want 6 mil. Like Nylander with money.
Sounds about right.
Nylander's probably gonna want like 9 mil once he gets his next contract. That guy is greedy.
Probably the worst.
Yeah, chat. I got sell stops here, guys. 1830.907. My sell stop is at 1830.86 on Blueberry. Just adjust it to your broker.
So what is your win rate on 4-hour gold entries, Don? Well, if we look at the spreadsheet,
If you look
we
at the
don't have it.
spreadsheet,
We don't have it. We don't have it separated by time frame and pair, but the win rate on 4 hours is pretty high.
Where is it? Right here. It's 80%. We took 10 trades on a 4-hour time frame on stream.
Oh, right there. I didn't even see that little column. I
Yeah.
was trying to add them up. Yeah, 80%, pretty good.
What entry is this? This is breakout lows, current count stops, or current count breakout lows. Yeah, 87% win rate on a current count higher low, and on a 4-hour time from 80% plus the breakout, right? This is a fake out. So our fake outs this year is 100% at 13. So if you add that up, there's a very high chance that this trade will play out, right? If add up all those 3 columns.
Exclamation point trades. Hey, if I was watching a stream and I was watching the only streamer who has a fully transparent spreadsheet with win rates and percentages and pairs and everything with links,
Those are fighting words.
I would simply look at the highest win rate setups and be like, oh, he's taking a 4-hour 80% entry.
Michael shows values, guys. I'm not part of this.
I'm just playing my odds. I'm just playing my odds.
Yeah.
That being said, I want to jinx it, but no. I want to jinx it.
All that just to take a loss after. Marcos, I over leveraged because of you. That's a you problem.
And full margin. No, not like... Why does TD look so different? The 4-hour on TD has a different rollover time, man. So just look at the 1 hour.
TD closed at 8, didn't it?
I think it's 8 or 10. I don't know.
I think it's no, it's
I literally don't know, and I use TD. I actually, because I just trade on TradingView. Actually, TD looks pretty much the same, to be honest.
How's TD look? Let me take a look.
Oh wait, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I'm tripping.
Yeah, 4 hours way different.
Yeah, way different.
Oh, but could flip here, chat. The 1 hour is cleaned on TD.
Oh, it was volume.
Yeah. Chat, expect some volume here. All right. Break even point is 1828. Current count stops.
So you guys smoking Gorilla Glue Wake and Blake today? I'm sniffing Sharpies today.
We might get slipped. We have flips, chat. You aware?
Slippage.
When pistol that beat the break even point, that's gonna be 20 pips. All right, let's not get slipped, right? Let's not get slipped. Mm-mm-mm. 1830.88. 1830.88 is my sell stop.
Very solid, very simple position.
Yeah. And almost activated, guys. 0.88. Almost there. This 15 cent closed onion? Possibly. 15 closes onion, that's your stop loss. Like this is a 50. You can say it's a 15-minute onion, respecting the 1 hour resistance, or you can say it's a 4 hour flip, same thing. And almost activated. 1 more pip, or 2 more pips. Almost, and I'm in, activated. Nice. So chat, got on some sells here. Sells got activated. 0.88 got tapped. Stop loss is current kind of highs for 38 pip stops. TP is down here for 89 pips. All right, so stuff has been activated. You broke the lows, I believe. Yeah, you broke the lows. This thing likely to drive down here. 15 might pull back again, but again, this is a forward trade, right? 15's gonna create a top wick. Once it flips bearish, this thing looks valid to drive down. Yeah, 38 pip stops. Went a little smaller than like maybe like went half risk, a little smaller than full risk. A little like in the middle. But whatever it is, chat, like 1 or 2% risk per trade, right? We didn't get slipped too, so I'm glad. Would have been worse if we just flipped and just drove. MM said perfect. You in MM? Are we into GJ or gold? We're into gold here. GJ looks very choppy right now. The forward can still drive down here, but daily bias is heavily bullish though. I'd rather take buys above 166, to be honest. You have NYC open in about 14 minutes. You really want to see this 15 flip though, right? Right now the 15 is currently at top wick. This thing flips bearish, breaks the lows. This thing should be gone, because then you break the lows, you're gonna see this thing drive probably an extra 14 pips here. It drives 14 pips. It's your risk-free point. Most logical stop is the previous candle, but I mean 1 hour candle stops are fine. Like it even broke the previous highs. If it breaks the previous highs, it doesn't make sense if we're a drive. So I'll go to right. Yeah, I'm in. Activated. Who didn't get activated? I know people are like, oh, I didn't get activated. Your broker might be off, or your price, your entry, your sell stop might have been a bit higher in mine or lower in mine. Mine definitely got activated though. Should be a lovely ride. 15-minute flips. Can you drive? I'm in. Very close. Oh, nice. Yeah. I was considering earlier to leave it like maybe below his wick here at 833, but I'm like, eh. Break the 4 lows to just drive. Come on, go. Just drive so I can play some Apex. Everyone's extra quiet. They just mind their own business. Inverted reaction. Huh. Never heard of that. And we're pushing. So the 15 has flipped bearish. It looked left in the 15-minute time frame. We have complete clean traffic. This thing should continue to drive down. Oh, that's a quick push. Yeah, no, definitely wouldn't have been break even, chat. Break even point for me is 1828.971. Yeah, you're gonna have a 15 pullback, which is that pullback there you had just now, and you're gonna have another pullback at 830 if it doesn't drive. If it drives for 830, you may be good, but you probably want to drive for 830. You want to be at break even for 830 and survive the break even point. This music, bro.
MM goes, the new lads are holding their coochies. Yeah, I think NYSC should bring volume.
New lads today. Sorry, new lads. This is a
Slipped
loss.
6
Then,
pips.
you can drive 6 pips. Oh, if I got slipped in that push
he
there.
wasn't activated originally, so he must have got slipped on that activation.
Yeah. Yeah, if you had a little, if you activated later, you got slipped. But not 6 pips, really? Oh, yeah, it came out 7. Makes sense.
Yeah, a lot of people.
What's the spread on BB markets for
a couple
AJ?
people said it.
GJ spreads are 0.7.
Well, that's very good too.
You're a blueberry, right?
No, I'm with Black Bull.
Oh, black bow. They're
Just-
decent. Yeah, blueberry has no commission on gold. That's why I went with them.
Yeah.
Will this be our first loss of the month, chat? Let's see. 9. What time do we get activated at? 9:15.
Yeah, blueberry no commission on gold, I believe. Payback FX. Oh yeah, blueberry has no commissions on gold though. Stop loss matters. So it doesn't need to get them by, but GJ, you could get your commissions paid back, I guess. I've never heard of that. Payback?
Yeah, I never heard of that too.
Payback FX.
Never heard of
That's
that.
candy running. I'm playing. Hey yo. What's that?
What up, Kerwin?
You get some payback.
Hey yo, Ted.
Let me get some payback FX, man. What you doing?
Is that Kerwin? Is that Kerwin?
Yeah, right.
I think it is Curran. That's his new name, I think. Train floor.
it?
Yeah, I think I've seen his IG before. What, Curran?
No, he said he just found this channel.
Interesting.
If you break the lows here, you could go break even for sure.
He probably saw Don Vol. This is Control FX, by the way. This is the same channel, just different name.
Your entry was 900? Or was it
My
higher
entry
on the
was
flip?
880.
880.
Well, I got activated at 88.
Break the lows.
Lovely. Yeah, 15 came down to rebreak the lows. I mean, this wick should get filled, and as it fills that wick chat, we're closing partials, right? This next support right here, you can't ignore this support. It's a support here. It's pretty hefty too. You gotta take advantage of it. Can we just push though? Oh, nice. 5% profit.
Nice 1 pip.
Yeah, 30-minute candle should bring it down, especially if we close below. But it's a 4-hour trade though, chat. Like it's like that's the main time from here. I'll try to close the full here.
You just woke some people up.
Thanks, Karen. Appreciate it. Thanks for supporting her.
It's a great point, Green. When you're not over risking, you're not shitting your pants. Facts.
Chat, by the way, we have a playbook out. It's free download, controlfx.com. These are all the trades that we take. This chart right here is the fake out. So if you go to the fake out, that's going to be right here, right? So this is the fake out. This is the trade we're in right now. This right here, right? Same exact trade. Yeah, controlfx.com, free download, no charge, no, yeah, none of that. Already sign up. 40-page PDF.
What is your gold spread, Don? It's like 1.5 pips, right?
1 right now. 1 on gold, like 1 pip on dot.
God spreads.
Yeah.
It's always half of Trader's Domain.
GJ is 0.7.
Blueberry's got that fiber optic cable directly into the Pentagon.
They got a wired connection.
Yeah. Joe Biden's actually feeding them the information over text.
It's like getting text messages from Trump. I'm about to tweet. Get ready.
When did we draw this Keno out, chat? On the stream today? Was it around like 50, 55? Oops. What am I doing? It's around. It goes around. Right here. Yeah, this we drew it out earlier at 8:59. Yeah, once the FOREX account closes, top wick, we tapped it perfectly, right? 36. Oh, 35. And then yeah, I think it should come down because like we're breaking back into the range on the 4 time frame. There's a high chance you fill the range. Very high chance. If anything, like 1823.
Lows.
All right, 6, almost 10, 9, 8, 8.5. And back to 5. Yeah, we're probably gonna see another pullback if you don't push here next 4 minutes here, chat, because the third main count's gonna open up, right? And depending on how it opens up, obviously it's gonna create a top wick, and that top wick will be more possibly more drawdown potentially, because you need a top wick and then you flip bearish, you should drive.
Got about 8 on there.
Yeah, you're 8.
Yeah.
I'm 8.5.
It's just gonna pop down and fill the wick instantly. It's not gonna drive. It's gonna spawn.
Don, I think
Too much.
Don, I think I
dividend.
missed it, but what made you not take it on the candle flip?
I think because you made a low
Made a
first.
low.
You made a low
Oh, okay,
first.
okay, yeah. Gotcha.
Because when we were for a top wick, right?
Yeah.
If it didn't have a top bottom wick, I would have entered the flip. Would have been a lot better entering the flip, but it was a bit too aggressive for me.
Been knocking on this door for too long. It's gonna pop.
That's it.
This door has the hinges.
And where the hinges
rusting.
are falling off.
Yeah, the hinges are
If-
falling off this
if-
door right now.
If the 30-minute candle closes no bottom wick, chat, I'm moving stops to break even before a closure.
Oh no, you're about to get full TV right now.
10 on TV.
Yeah, I'm at 8,
Mhm.
8.5.
Should tap at that miner.
And here goes.
There we go.
It's gonna pop. I'm telling you, this door.
Don't open that door.
This door is.
I mean, you
being-
bang on, you bang on
Yeah.
something long enough, it's gonna fucking break.
This door needs to open.
All right, chat. Gonna move my stops to break even here, making this adversary trade. Not closing partials just yet. We're gonna close partials very soon, but stops to break even here minimum. And then possibly gonna close partials very soon here.
There's no way this really is just grinding down pip by pip.
Actually, chat. I'm gonna close partials here, chat. I'm gonna close partials here at 13 because I'm expecting this 30-minute pullback again. Possibly with bottom wick for a 30 as well. Keep that in mind. So I'm gonna close partials here instead of down the line. All right. So
Say it
like
ain't
12 pips.
So, not another W.
I'm very surprised by gold right now. When does it ever just trickle
Slowly go
grind
down.
Slow. Yeah, what is this, EU?
Gold
Usually
about
it'll
that.
knock
yeah?
like this, it'll knock like this, and then it'll pop like 10, 15, 20 real quick when there's volume.
It's
Might be
about
waiting
to.
for the stock
You're
exchange though.
You're about to get your 30 pips. Surprise, motherfuckers.
It should pop, maybe not at this second or 9:30, one or the other. 9:30, like Don said, it might retrace and then go.
Yeah, I closed partials at 13.12 there, and stops to break even here, chat. So
Good trade, Mr. Streamer.
thank
Oh,
you, my
man.
brother. Yo, I don't know why, but on Blueberry 88 looks like it's right here.
Really?
It's so weird. Yeah, if you want a Blueberry market, it's like the previous count on breaking out lows on the 15. It's so weird, but on this broker it looks a lot different for some reason.
I guess you got no choice but to adjust the record.
Oh. I want runners, chat, but let's see. Let's see what happens here. So 13 secured there at close half, and then the rest is just whatever. Whatever happens, happens. All right, chat.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Yeah, record 7. I'm gonna update it after the trade. It's break even or TP, but yeah, it looks like it's still streak still goes on here, chat. The undefeated streak. We're currently on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 streak. Not bad.
I know people are like, I don't want a top wick on the 30, but we all know.
Yeah.
Have top wicks.
It's gonna retrace, leave a bottom wick, and then it's gonna make a top wick. So
I will say, if this 30 closes below the previous body, it might just make a quick tap most recent at 1830.45 and then go, and you might be good to go. Or drive a no top wick.
Yeah,
honestly,
there you
just
go.
drive for gold. Just drive so we can just get our TP runner and call it a day, man.
The one time we want no top wick. 30-minute candle.
All right, 3-minute candle. Okay, nice. No top wick. All right, yeah. There's a 85% chance that we're gonna get a top wick and we may hit break even here. But if we survive that, right? Because one thing you could say that there's a minor resistance right here, so this is a level that it could pos tap, but that's cutting very close to our entry. But if we survive, we survive. If we don't, then it's a Monday. I'll take my W and call it. I'm happy with my partial closure. If you guys don't want to pull back, then close full. But don't come back and saying, I should have held if it comes down to TP. So whatever decision you make, stick to it. Don't be 50-50. Don't be shoulda, woulda, coulda.
I'll let these runners rock. I'm out to the beach. Got some plans.
You're gonna beach. You're actually going to the beach?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do there?
Right near the beach, boy.
Oh yeah,
Work out that neck.
yeah. I think I forgot. Yeah. All right, man. Swim safe, man.
Yes, yes.
peace and
I'll
love.
see you guys later. Peace and love. Another W.
I don't
Wix.
care. I want to see IG. I want
Wix,
to see your feet in the
Wix
sand.
9 came to the stream just to trade and hop off.
That's what a real trader does.
That's what the viewers do.
What about fake streamer people?
That's what the viewers do.
Yeah, but the viewers have no idea when trades come in.
I'll see you guys at time to hop up real quick.
All right, man.
Peace,
Peace out.
50
I'll
peace.
see you guys tomorrow morning.
Peace,
Nice
There's
There's the
fucking W.
retracement. There's the top wick. Oh, tap most recent.
What the hell was that?
I don't know. Tap most recent. Oh,
Oh, tap more recent. Okay.
tap most recent.
If it can break the lows here, you may see it push down here, chat. You may see it push down.
Go!
Everyone should have survived that wick. It didn't come up too high. Here goes. Break the door. 9:30. 9YSC.
Oh,
volume.
we perfected. We called the top wick on a dot, like
Yeah,
on the
exact-
dot.
on the mint. Here it
On
comes.
the
It just needs to break the
tee.
lows.
That was a water bottle grab, chat. So it grabbed the water bottle. Now it's gonna pass the
Oh.
water bottle to the anchor.
Oh, it's gonna fucking drop.
That was
It's gonna
the liquid grab.
Gold might be tripping.
be a good day at the
It
beach.
can't get through the door.
I'm just worried about this right here, man. This 1829 level,
Yeah.
pretty decent support. But if you look at a 4-hour candle, that's a different story. Oh, they all left?
It looks beautiful on the 4-hour candle.
Yeah, let's look at a 4-hour time, chat. Don't look at anything else.
Just ignore the rest.
Just look at a 4-hour time frame.
Just pray.
It's better for your eyes, anyways.
The new people are like, what the fuck are they talking about? There you go.
The,
Push in, push
the,
in.
the liquid
Where's the
grab.
hard push, Gold? You know you got a hard push in your locker. You're holding it back on us. Come on. Pushing, pushing. Weekly's about to flip.
Weekly flips. Weekly has flipped. All right. Oh no. Yeah, almost.
no.
27 1 6 pips away. Can we get 6 pips?
Guys,
6 pips.
see,
Go
that
once.
was the push I was talking about for the past 30 minutes. I swear I'm not crazy.
No, I know.
Where it spawns like 20 pips down.
There it is, chat. Patience paid off. Came to the stream today. Drew my subs though. Wait for my subs to come, or we did.
Yep.
Executed. On the screen. There it is. Free.
Hey,
The trade was great, but as long as you guys learned something today, that's all that matters.
like the stream and subscribe, and that is your payment to Mr. Mr. Streamer, Scammer Man. Just like the stream and subscribe. Join the
Mr.
Discord.
Scammer, man.
Little boy blue.
Little boy blue, baby.
Can
Yo,
I still enter?
Chat,
No.
double spam in the chat for IG real quick, chat. We haven't had that in a while.
Oh, facts.
Can I still
Got
enter?
you. I'll start the train.
If you enter, it's gonna be a completely different trade setup. You won't have the same advantage points. You won't have the same clean traffic.
We do not care.
Swear I'm gonna get more sound soon.
We do not
Only
care.
sound I got. We do
Bro,
not
I
care.
probably heard that when I was doing the video. And I was talking about how we caught W and we do not care.
Bro, we heard it all today. You know, someone at the beginning of the stream was like, at the Comex move, he's just two bitches for missing the trade. Like, bro. Hey, Walker Waller, yo, is that 3-piece today?
Three-piece combo?
3-piece chicken nugget combo?
What do we tap here? Oh yeah, that's support. Yeah. I think you need a 1 hour closure here, man, to be honest.
Yeah.
You need to close below 18 to 28 here on the next 1 hour candle in 24 minutes. That's a long time, guys. And then you guys survive the top wick bottom wicks again. Same thing.
Gold's acting different. Usually this is like the move. You tap your target and you're good. But
And yeah, you
I just do it.
didn't flip bearish for the week. You came very
Oh.
close.
we'll get the flip regardless. Even if it's gonna go back up, we should get the flip.
Yeah, like throughout the week. Yeah, Chad, you could have oh, I was supposed to say earlier, but you could have closed partials whenever you want. I just left half running. My next potential closure was probably gonna be probably down here on the flip, 1827. That's when I'm gonna close another 75%. But you guys can do whatever you guys want to do. You close an hour 50? No, if I close an hour 50, that's my full position. I'm gonna close 150. I got half running right now, 50%. Oh yeah, 4 GG flip too. Nice. Yeah, that wick fill is pretty clean. That was 15 pips. Not bad.
Here we go. We survive.
What did it do? 5 minute? Oh, 5 minute top. Okay, I see.
Five, yeah,
Nice.
the 5's chilling right now.
Oh yeah, 5 minute flips
Five
bearish
flipping
fills
wick
that wick.
fill. Yep.
Right in my mind.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm gonna stream Apex on YouTube. But yeah, Marco says go on his channel. The culture shift. Chat. Let's get Marcos Ruiz to
Yeah, but it's just Marcos Ruiz now. I had to change the link.
let's get Marcos to 1,000 subscribers right now. Watch. We're gonna get it.
The vibes.
1,000 subs right now, chat. Yeah, 196 followers.
More importantly, watch the episode of the podcast Donvo. All right. Episode 1 of the podcast is Donvo, and that's what matters the most. You should type in Donvo and see what comes up.
My channel. But it's on my channel though, so it's kind of.
Now I want to see where my video ranks under Donvo.
Who's this guy? Oh, low key vibes.
Damn, I'm not that close, huh? My top 10?
All
Oh
right,
yeah, right
yeah,
there.
you're
Top 5,
you're
top 5.
10. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad. Trading nut too.
Who the heck is that guy?
Done
There's another
low.
Donvo. I'm above Trading Nut.
Yeah.
Hey,
If I can make us subscribe to you.
hey man, put your SEO on the table.
Yo, next year we're gonna have this Donvo scammer. The
Hey,
videos.
thank y'all for subscribing. Much love.
So someone's gonna make a video about our RR.
After facts. After the video, after the stream, guys, we're gonna play some Apex on my channel. You can watch me carry Donvo the bot. Ooh,
Wow.
pushing.
Yeah, chat. Possibly may close another 25%. Very soon. At 1827 on the flip of the weekly. Depends. I feel like we might, if you break 1827 here, you know how the weekly candles flipping? You may see a set of volume here. Just coming down. Weekly's so clean, man. Weekly is a fake on its own.
Your weekly runners are spot on.
Yeah. It's okay. Maybe we leave weekly runners here. Imagine.
Yeah.
I lost $50 accounts and gives me advice. I think I may just copy what you guys do. Just learn from the streams, man. Don't even copy what we do. Just take notes. Take advantage of the education. even if you didn't take the trade today, you would have taken advantage of my discipline. Like seeing me sit here on stream just waiting for my setup. I probably saw like 4 setups earlier. Didn't take him. It wasn't my plan. Saw my plan, took it. Right? Just stuff like that. It goes a long way, man. All right, let's update the record actually. Well, let's do it after. I have a thing where I have to do it after when a trade's over with.
Undefeated month.
Yeah, technically 7-0 for the month, and for the year like 67 or 68 and 13. Hey guys, I don't know about you, but this is our first week back on stream, and been great.
You think your vacation rejuvenized your skills?
Yeah,
Rejuvenated?
no, not really. No, not really.
Remember the guy was like, you can't trade on vacation, man.
You can't trade on vacation, man. Can we get another track star?
Trap star.
Very soon. But once we flip bearish in a weekly, we will. Can't waste it, man.
Oops.
Everyone, thanks John Cena here. John Cena, for the market maker. Shout out to John Cena. It's the market maker right here. Hustle, loyalty, respect. Is that what his lingo is? His thing? His saying?
Yeah.
Hustle, loyalty, respect.
Bro, where's his other arm?
Bro, don't worry about it, bro. You asked too many questions, man.
What the?
Just know. This is vintage action figure right here. This is like from like
that's the Wish John Cena.
That's the John Cena you have at home. We're gonna pull back for this 15, aren't we? Yeah. Might hit break even, chat. May potentially hit break even. John Cena's coming back to Raw tonight. I haven't watched Raw in like the longest time. Oh look, 300 people left after we took a W. What's new? We have 1.3, I think, peak. Let's see, 1.3838. Yeah, 1.340. That was a peak, and then 300 people left after we took a win. Of course. Thanks, guys.
Said sayonara.
You close third pip fold. Congrats, nice.
Nice.
That would have been a 1-1, right? Third pip stops, third pip TP.
The RR monsters are satisfied.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, remember his old song?
Mm-hmm.
How's it go?
I forget.
Take a
Time is now. You can't see me. Something.
Yo, he was probably the only guy that had his own song, right? He sung his own song. Or
That
Randy
video
Orton.
subscriber sound. Oh, Randy Orton was
I hear voices.
I hear voices in my
head.
head.
Don't. Yeah, that was nasty. Jeff Hardy had a sick one.
Loopy League said Thugonomics.
Yo, new sub sound. Yeah, that's a sick new sub sound. We should look at that.
Funny.
So hard. What else is there? You guys know this one? This is nostalgic, guys.
Are you ready?
That's nostalgic. You guys remember that?
Tell us what to do.
Let's see who guess this one.
Think you could tell us what to wear? Ready.
This is crazy. That was what was that? Yeah, Degeneration X. Holy shit. Who else has a fire one? Fuck, who else is a better one? Oh,
Celebration
Marco's
monsters are in the chat.
Marcos knows this one.
I was not expecting that.
Booyaka.
Booyaka. 619. Eddie Guerrero, Shawn Michaels. We're getting requests now.
Man, this is so lit, chat. I can't play this for too long. It's gonna block my stream, I think. Bro, Raven Steel was so chonky, man. This guy was bees and big at the same time and short.
He was buff.
Yeah, they gotta work the hardest, man. The short people. All right,
Stain.
break even hit potentially, because we're gonna pull back. Look at the alley count, chat. It's gonna pull back here. The last 15 of the alley count, right? And oh, very close to break even. 88's my entry.
Blueberry survived. Everyone else, you're out. That's
Yeah.
how it goes.
88 to entry. Almost there. For me, it tapped 1878, but it should probably tap break even here. There's a high chance.
Blueberry families.
Unless you get a 1 minute fake out. Close
1
below
minute.
close below 829 for the 1 minute. We got a fake out, but I doubt it. Looks like single for that wick. 5 minute close. Ooh, look at the 5 minute candle. Close right at resistance. Interesting.
So this wick doesn't break the highs, then drives down. Fake out.
Yeah, potentially.
Oh,
If
Oh
you
my goodness.
smell.
yummy. Blueberry fam.
Would you get any Marcos in this trade? I didn't even ask.
Nah, I didn't take this trade.
Oh,
I took the.
I know you
Comex.
did. I know
Yeah,
you
I
did.
know you know. I know
know
you
you
know.
I was looking at it
I-
too. I was looking at it, but I'm not comfortable with Comex yet. But
it's also just, it was harder to take on stream.
no, I definitely know what you meant. It was where was it? 815, right? It was when you broke the highs on the.
Yeah.
I forgot how it looked, but you broke
Right there, yeah. Broke
Yeah.
the highs on the 15 and then came down and flipped.
Yeah.
Bearish.
I think it came down. It came back and drawdown for a bit, but then just ended up coming down.
I was gonna take this trade too. I was just like, I don't want to risk my profit.
You close phone the first trade or what?
Yeah, I've closed for 22 pips,
Neat.
17 pip stop. Yeah, it was decent. 16 pip stop. You are the FOREX Apex champions. We're ass at Apex, but it's funny because we're trying to get good.
We'll get good. You have to see the improvement.
You could see the raw talent. You know what I mean? Because we're good at other games. We played Warzone the other day with Loopy, and we won like 2 out of 5 games. That's pretty good.
Yo, I could drink another coffee there and go to Best Buy, buy my my 4K catcher and go stream NHL. Honestly, yeah, should I do NHL stream today?
NHL.
Just for NHL and Apex or some shit.
I would stream FIFA. The problem is that it's so late in the year for FIFA. Like I've already done everything.
Oh, who cares? Just do it for fun.
I won every trophy already on D1.
Fucking
It's like,
Show Speed still plays FIFA.
yeah, but that's true. But he's not. People don't watch him for the FIFA.
Yeah, he's watching for his rage.
I mean, they wouldn't be watching me for the FIFA either. To be fair, actually, you probably would. NHL stream. I can't play 2 sports games.
I'm better at honestly. Chat. If I were to rank my games, my main game is NHL, and then probably 2K, and then COD's like third probably, and then Apex.
Really.
Yeah,
Mine's
COD's that was never my best game.
Mine's like FIFA has always been number 1, and then Call of Duty used to be number 1, but it's FIFA, Call of Duty, and then Apex.
You know why though, man? Because COD just gives me chills when I play sometimes. Like it's just so like people camping just scares the shit out of me.
Well, the reason I stopped playing COD is because the way I play COD was multiplayer, and now everyone just plays Battle Royale. So I kind of stopped playing and play FIFA again. Quit FOREX, become Apex streamer. Facts. Yo, Sempi, you are third? I think I added you.
I'll play on PS5. If you want to verse me, you can.
NHL?
Rank 400 chat.
You'd probably be good at FIFA.
I think I'll be decent. Yeah, I'll probably pick it up.
It's a little different. It's a little slower than NHL.
You're the last man power the best. You guys are in too. Chat, who's still in? I'm pretty sure some people are still in on Blueberry. 88 never got tapped. If your entry's at
Everyone in
88,
Blueberry should be in, yeah.
yeah, if you're 88 entry, you didn't get tapped.
I'm not sure what TD, if TD got tapped. I can check.
Yeah, I used the Leafs card T. You're not cold? Unfortunately not. I wish I did though.
Oh, pushing.
Yeah, if you can close like
There's
this
a
for the
15.
hourly.
15 celery.
Oh wow, you break that low. You guys know the drill.
Loopy's still in on Osprey. Hey, Loopy.
What's your entry though, Loopy? Would you re-enter on a 1 hour break? No. Since I took the first trade, probably not. If I didn't take the first trade, yeah, but I don't know. I don't want to. I just want to take one trade today and call it a day. Honestly, I'm happy with with the results.
Are you guys full-time traders? Part-time traders who trade for a living. Actually, Don's technically full-time. This dude trades all 3 sessions. Don's out? Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
We do not care.
It's Marco's Q&A time. Dude's stretching. This is why he needs to buy a new chair, chat. Cheap ass. I can answer that for you, David. Don does not have a target for pips. He doesn't have a target for percentage. He just takes the trades that are good trades. If the trades are there, he takes the trade. No targets. Targets mess you up. Who's better in Apex, you or Don? Me. Gold or GJ? I only trade gold at the moment. I stopped trading GJ last month. Maybe I'll go back, but I'm enjoying my 1 pair. Do you put TP on the MetaTrader, Marcos? Most of the time, no, unless I'm gonna like make a protein shake while I'm in a trade, like something like that. You know what I mean? But most of the time, manual.
Wait, 68 and 13 are Golden State numbers? No, it's not. It was 38 and 9.
They were 73 and no, they were 73 and 9.
Yeah, we can't get that anymore. We can't get that record. That's impossible now. We already lost more than 9 times.
The Bulls were what, 72 and 10. Yeah.
We were going for this. NBA 68 and 13. Who?
Do you guys have a PhD or degree in finance? No, I have a business degree, but focused in marketing and technology. Don has no degree.
Yeah, I got a degree in nothing.
Marcos fast talks. I fast talk. Don fast talks.
Do you have a live stream for Asian session? I took a little. No, I don't. I didn't. I never did. I did like maybe 3 streams in my life of Asian. I just I feel like I get burnt out. I was gonna do it for like members only, but it would be like a quick 15-minute stream, whatever, just for a trade. But I haven't done that yet. I haven't found time.
I'll probably do a review stream on the weekend. Like I was thinking about doing like a monthly recap video, or not video stream, where I just like go over my journal for the month, but I don't know yet.
Mirror's Hazard. It's been there for a year. I think I'm good.
Hazard. It's leaning.
Yeah, it's leaning. It's good. It's a heavy. Right, it's a heavy mirror too. It's not like. And I don't want to. I like it. I like it. If you guys are asking, I like it. I like it. Leaning. I don't like it if it was hung up. I'd rather have it leaning like that. It's just the aesthetic I like. All right.
No, I graduated. Djafsky. I graduated 2 years ago. Verb said we make a great team, Don. That's a first. Thanks, Verb. Yeah, Dom, how much lots do you have running? Let me guess. You have 4 lots running.
Correct.
Hey, Dab.
How'd you know?
Because I'm in your head.
Interesting.
I'm in your house. I'm behind the leaning mirror. That's why it's a hazard.
Oh, shit. I don't know. Damn, I can fit back there. This week you don't want to flip? Give it time. Wait for the 1 hour close. I think once the 1 hour closes and it fills that wick in a 1 hour time frame, it will break the lows and that low will give it the weekly flip.
The weekly flip should be a slippage moment, like a pop.
Yeah, like a
Beep. Happy with Gabriel Jesus? Yes. Great signing. Need more though. Wasn't that? What teams did you play with in FIFA? Every team but PSG and France, pretty much. I think I've 1D1 with Real Madrid, Chelsea, City, United, Liverpool, pretty much. Oh, and Bayern. Flash Runner. You didn't change? Oh yeah, you threw it at the end.
Yeah, I always change at the end. Something I just always do.
Mental block.
Yeah, I just have to do at the end. Something I don't care about, but I don't know. Something about that.
That's what I love about trading though. Like everyone has their own mental thing that they have to tweak or it just won't work for them. You know what I mean? Like just unexplainable things. Hey, devious mod god. W.
Dun, dun, na, 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 dun, 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 dun. Who here has stopped taking impulses this year? And it's okay if you take impulses, by the way. It's just your way of training. But who here has, you know, maybe impulse didn't work for them and they stopped taking impulse?
Oh yeah, news is coming. 10 a.m.
Okay.
Nice little catalyst.
Yeah.
Me. Patience is the key. Rhyming accidentally. But I'm not a rapper.
Huh?
Huh?
Yo, I'm playing Warzone on controller again though. Did I tell you that, Marcos?
Really?
Yeah, because it's way better. It's the best players play controller on. No, it's a controller game. The movement is cleaner and it just feels better. I don't get nauseous as much too, so I'm trying to switch. Pretty committed though. Ask Loopy. Yo, we had fun playing War. You can't lie. You had fun playing that one time with me and Loopy. The only thing is you had no award.
Rebirth, though.
You had no award, but yeah, I know you had fun.
Yeah, because it was Rebirth and it was just for the vibes after the stream.
So let's do Warzone stream for the vibes. Okay, give a bit of Apex and like 5 minutes of Warzone.
5 minutes. 2 Rebirth drops.
We gotta win, bro. We got 2 wins almost.
Yeah, Rebirth's so easy, bro.
Yeah, no.
We're all good, so it's like it's not that hard, which is why I like the ranked. Like I don't like just shitting on people. Up 2% today. Hey, W Jack. All my losses this month are impulses. Next month I'm gonna be at 0. Wix 9 helped a lot with my mindset. W. Anyone still in? There's a good amount of people in 8 Curry. The Osprey people are in. The Blueberry people are in.
Let's just do a poll.
Yeah, there you go. Do a poll. Get my shirt on. My new shirt from Embos' brand. Optic Embos. Rich and Lonely. Fire.
Rich and Lonely? I never heard of
Rich and Lonely, and then it says exclusive equestrian club.
You bought a lot of shirts this summer.
I did buy a lot of shirts this summer.
Yeah, I like vintage shirts.
I bought like a Lulu haul too. I like some shorts. Show off the quads, you know.
Yeah, I'm trying to stack on some vintage shirts this summer. It's just hard to
30%
find like the ones I actually like.
Thrift. I bought a couple from
No,
Thrift.
I don't go through. I go to curated. Yeah, like stores that just have it like found items already and they have it for sales. Like I don't know, the average price is like probably 30, 50 for a vintage.
There's a girl who does vintage and curated shirts, and Post Malone came in and bought her whole store out. In New
Yeah.
York. It's crazy. He's like, I'll take all of them.
Post Malone's a W.
Yeah, Post Malone is W. He just had another interview on what was it? Full Send.
131 votes. Wow, not a lot of people are in. I'm sorry, chat. Well, that makes sense though. Not a lot of people are Canadian here, and if you're Canadian, you're still in. because you're a blueberry. if you're not Canadian, then
He's in on Osprey, and he's the same city as me in Brooklyn. I need a switch. Just kidding.
Two minutes to go. If the 1 hour can close below here, that'll be perfect. You tap that resistance, next candle comes down, perfect. It's only 10 a.m. here too.
Who smokes 4 packs of cigs a day?
Post Malone.
Oh yeah, that was a clip from it. My bad. Yeah. Just closed full at 35. Hey, W Brown Boy. What are you up right now? 25 pips? 20, 30?
Me?
Yeah.
22.
Mm.
Oh, 1 hour close below. Okay, yeah. I'm not something that steep wick here, chat. Like honestly, look left. Might come close, but 1830
Good call.
or like 1828. If it breaks that, then 1830. But oh, there's a wick fill. All right, chat.
Yeah, good instant call, bro.
Gonna close another 25% here in my positions right here at 33 pips, 34 pips. Oh, gonna close it right now. It's perfect.
How'd the news come out?
Nice. Yeah, chat. Closing our partials here. Oh wow, nice.
Yeah, good numbers. Good numbers too. Perfect.
Honestly, when I close it, it just drops, so I can stay for it at 38.
But do you guys see how technicals precede fundamentals? You got a closure below at exactly 10 a.m. A closure below support. The top wick exactly touched most recent.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
And then broke the lows. And then news just so happened to be the right numbers for the price action. Does that make sense? That's what Don is always saying.
Weekly flip bearish. Look left. You have clean traffic to fill 1817 for the week.
Ooh.
Looking good. We close partials. If you want, you can leave runners going for the week if you're feeling crazy. It's not a bad idea, honestly. Leave like a 1 lot. Honestly, what I might do is close, like leave a close another half at like 1822 and then let the 1 lot run for the weekly target at 18 what target is that? 1817. There's a high chance I'm gonna get stopped out, but if I leave on 1 lot, I mean it's whatever. I'm taking a risk that might hit break even, but yeah. Dub chat. All right, there you go. Nice. So all right. Oh no, Sunny Chan got a little later. Oh, 40. All right. Can we get runners TP? Honestly, I'm gonna move. Yeah, I guess. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna leave this line here. I'm gonna write up closing another 12% here, and leaving runners towards 11 for weekly. That's my plan.
Like the stream. Where else?
And pips are up by right now. 38, 40. Yeah, runner's 80. It's not bad.
40 pips. Nice.
Yeah.
What's your weekly target? 1815, honestly.
1811.
11.
1815 is a bit more safe, but I got 1811. I mean, 1 lot 1811 from 1830 to 1811. That's 2K for the 1 lot alone. So I have a 2 lot right now running.
Nice. Close 6, right? 6 of them.
Yeah. It's funny how we haven't had a lot of people calling us trades out because they're waiting for that 1 loss to come.
Yeah.
That's when they talk.
Yeah, for those who got a hit B, just hang in there, man. I know it hurts, but this is how you train. This is how you train your brain, train your mind. Watch this go down. I want your eyes to be staring at the price. you watch enough of these go without you, you become numb and understand. Oh yeah, might break lows again here. 5-minute big drop candle. Get the next one. Get a little top wick. Should tap 1822. You're muted.
Oh, I was gonna say, yo, if he can break the daily lows, that'd be interesting.
Where's the daily low?
1811.
Hey yo.
1815. I mean, I doubt it, but I believe there's another drop coming, at least towards 1822. Let's see, chat. Pretty on point analysis though, right, chat? Huh? From the 1 hour break of the highs to the 4 hour candle flip. Analysis is there. A lot of people send me memes and DMs.
Memes?
Yeah, like videos.
That's funny.
What's this? New channel. Sorry, we are closed due to short staff. Which is definitely fried when I saw this. Bro, this is the best meme of all time. Money on my mind. Money on my shades.
Someone said just joined. What's your prediction for gold today?
Brother, it was done at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. We are in the prediction on gold. We stick to our word. Always, always, always. Dr. Sui.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Suey.
Sue. So I want to flip on GJ. 1 hour close very weak. I'll be very careful here. It shows a lot of rejection. It shows a lot of decent support here. Very decent. I'll stay below here, but I don't know. I think GJ, you have like 4 or 5 minutes to the closure, so I'll just call it. Can go tap target here. Like, I don't know how long I'm gonna be on stream watching this runner for a chat. Like, I can just hop off, right? I'll wait for Marcos to come back. We'll do a wordo, and then we'll just hang for a bit. I want to get the wordo done. Chat, almost at 12.9 or 13. Let's say 13 today. It's Don Vo on IG. Appreciate all the support though.
I used to laugh because who is this?
Who is this Control FX dude? Meme channel? Low key. You should do it. Yeah, that's cool. Make a clip channel for us. Yo, how much you guys up this month so far? Chat.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Suey.
Yo, let's do Wordo real quick and then come back to the charts.
Up 10%, 9%.
Ooh.
10%. Decent, chat. Decent. I had some slip ups earlier in the month.
All right, let's go on trade.
Trade.
All right. TRADE. All right. Let's go.
Enter. Hear me out.
Two,
Hear me out.
2 E's.
Yeah, hear me out though.
I'm gonna enter to enter. Oh. All right. T's there. R's there. Okay. All right. So the E's has to be second or last. Yeah. Or second or third last. No, it has to be the second. The E has to be second. Nowhere else. So X, E, T. So R could be the first or the third. RET. So RET XX. RET RO.
Retro.
Right.
Not bad. Hey, that's
Yeah,
good.
it's locked in, chat. We're
Yo,
locked
W
in.
done. What the?
Come on.
Hey yo.
Come on, chat. Quit playing
Yeah,
with me.
retry. It could have been retry. Hey, W done.
Retro.
You're locked in today. Runner and a Wordle.
Yo, and an Apex win.
And an
Yo,
Apex win.
quit playing with me. Yo, you know why,
Yo.
chat? It's this coffee right here. Justin Bieber sponsored. Tim Beats, you know. Yeah, this is called Beebs Grew.
Just all
Brew.
dubs today.
Yeah, all dubs around, man. Good vibes too. Yeah, best stream we had all June, I think.
It was good viewership too. We had 1,300.
I want to make a playlist with like my favorite streams, like top streams. Like,
yeah.
I always want to do that. I should have made it. I forgot what other streams are.
Streams.
Yeah, like this stream was like top 10 this year.
Good stream.
2%, 12%, 22% NGO, 6%. That's good. Honestly, any percent is good, man. Just think of the days where you blow your accounts. Like you made it through the whole month trading. For 30 days, you didn't blow your account and you're up. Keep it up, man.
W 5%. W.
Keep it up, chat.
Just do the math, chat, on how much like something like 5 or 10 or 15 or 20% gets you over time, man. Just be consistent.
Honestly, you know where I can put John Cena, man? I know where I can put John
Where?
Cena.
Yo, somebody screenshot that and then edit something at
I
the
can't
top.
see it on screen though.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah, you can't see it. It's too small. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. It's way too small. It's like a bug. That's right. Do you do percentage by current account balance or where you started that month? What do you mean? Yeah, current account balance. Whoa. Yeah, current account balance. In your opinion, using a percentage-based risk, I use percentage-basast risk and fixed loss sizes. I just average it out. Might be a bit off a little bit, but I just like the way the numbers look. I don't want to use a 4.55. I'd rather use a 5 or 4. That's just me. 20% for June. Congrats. Honestly, chat, if this account flips bullish, I'm just gonna end the stream. But just know we have runners still. Like, I'm not touching this trade here. The next thing I'm gonna do here is close partials at 1822. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. So just so you guys know, I'm gonna close partials there and let the rest run towards 1811, which is gonna be down here at like 100, 200 pips probably. All right. So just know as long as it doesn't hit break even, this thing is still running for me. That's if I were to end the stream, because I don't think we're gonna hit the full targets on stream. Obviously, I'll wait for another 2 minutes here. If nothing happens, then we just call that a day and just have runners here, because there's no point in watching runners, man. TP2 1811, but closing. Nice. So this is how you turn a scalp to a swing trade, chat. That's a perfect example right there, because this is a scalp, right? But then it turns to a swing trade because of the weekly now. Understand the weekly time frame. Look what the weekly's doing, right? The weekly's flipping bearish here. Very high chance to come down to fill the range in a wick. Come down like this for the week. So if we can survive this on a Monday, perfect. We're in good hands. 25 seconds left. I mean, nothing's gonna change. Yeah. Or chat. Hold on. Well, chat. I think yeah, 15 close. I mean, 15 close below. But there's a high chance you're gonna come with Chris 1 hour wick. Very high chance. But I mean, that's it. I'm gonna end the stream here probably. I'm just gonna leave runners. My next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close another 12% at 822 and then leave runners towards 1811. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you come back to the stream tomorrow and it hits the target, then obviously update the stream pip count, whatever, because it's the stream trade basically, right? I just don't want to watch it on stream. But yeah, chat. I am going to call it a day here. Hope you guys had a good day. I appreciate you guys for coming by. Leave a like, sub to the channel if you guys are new. Yeah, we resume tomorrow morning at 6:30 Eastern. All right, chat. So peace out. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace out. Oh. All right. Peace out, chat.